Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you.
Shake your tambourine and praise the Lord. But the leaf on the top of mine, it comes a win a revival time. Everybody shake up the tambourine and praise the Lord.
Hey, yeah, man, welcome back up in there. It's about 7 minutes to 2 o'clock. It's a good time for us to go to...
Something. Oh my God! Can you believe that?
Can you believe it? True stories from around the world that make you say, Papa Jesus, that anything really can go so. Let's see where we're going with or can you believe it today? We're going to Chicago. Seraphim filed a suit in court against Robert Layton, alleging he has failed to reimburse her the U.S. $62,814 she spent preparing for the wedding and honeymoon. The lawsuit says she discovered through text messages on his cell phone that while in Las Vegas with friends for his bachelor party, he met a woman named Danielle and arranged to meet her at a nightclub that night, and after meeting the woman, they had sex in Layton's hotel room. Seraphim found the text messages and confronted Layton. He finally admitted he made out with Danielle in Las Vegas and then informed Seraphim he would not marry her. Later, Layton admitted he hooked up with Danielle, and Danielle apologized to Seraphim. Do you remember Danielle is a woman here? Danielle claimed the defendant deceived her as well by not advising her that he was in Las Vegas attending his own bachelor party and that he was engaged to be married. The lawsuit says. The lawsuit posted on the website onpointnews.com alleges breach of the promise to marry and intentional infliction of emotional distress, saying 170 people had planned to attend the wedding and reception. Seraphim says in the suit that she had reserved a banquet hall at the Ritz-Carlton, Chicago, and that this involved a cancellation penalty fee. The suit says she made non-refundable purchases of a wedding dress and veil, had reserved saloon services, reserved a band, made a deposit with a florist, made non-refundable purchases of dresses for bridesmaids and flower girls, spent money on invitations, made a deposit with a photographer, booked a hotel for a bachelorette party, booked a wedding shower at a restaurant, and made non-refundable reservations for airfare and a hotel for the honeymoon in Bora Bora. So the mix-up said, people, that woman and the man are married. The man go have him bachelor party in a Las Vegas, and when he move over there, he must link up with one woman and do the things with the woman over there. And we don't know what happened. He start to must mash up his meds and think him say, yo, yeah, I'm not married again. So the woman know him for married to just go so bam and fling a soup on him to the tune of $62,814 US dollar. For all of the things that she spend money upon, because I look like the woman did not spend the money right today, I know. Yeah, the woman did not spend the money. And think, you know, so make the woman the right, so she will get back her money. Remember, the people, the woman spend her money for everything. In the banquet hall at the Ritz-Carlton, Chicago. Right, so she have to pay cancellation penalty fee. And she booked the wedding shower, the photographer, the hotel for the bachelorette party, spent money for invitation. Buy the bride the wedding dress and buy the dress for the bridesmaid and the bride and the flower girl. Now the woman forget back her money. And then when Mr. Man go do, him just go sleep with her next woman and hook up with she and do the things and with she and call off the wedding them. So, nah, I'm a low, but at the same time, him have a right to come outside if him feel say, I wrong thing him a do. And perhaps if him a sleep with her next woman and feel a vibe to her next woman, then perhaps it's a good idea so him not get married. So the woman has sue for $60,000, which I think she should get. But probably the man do the right thing because then him got married and him head not really unite. Then appear problem that fair go get divorced after. That's what the thing said. That was...
Believe it? Oh my God, do you believe that?
Let me tell you something.
Oh my God, do you believe that?
I mix up and blend that time.
I'm going to the call and talk up the thing them.
All right, Rooty, you bring in that call with that lady there from Rockford. Bring in that call with that lady there from Rockford. My career officer, good afternoon.
Raga,
Whoa.
Mr. Raga, some feces one out to Rockford.
Some what?
Feces one.
Cut out that. Oh, you're going to say feces and then go back and say that word there.
You Raga, the feces one them a war.
Hold on, stop. You cannot say the S word, you understand?
Yeah.
All right then. So why them in the feces war over there now?
One piece of war, Raga, and them pieces of start feces everybody.
So wait, a whole heap of people are two feces upon them one another?
Raga, all cow feces and dog and every feces mixed up in a one, Raga.
Well on, what am I war for? What am I war for?
I'm not son, Raga. I am just so look water upon that story. I'm going to say that extra stinker.
When it's in the sun and you throw look water and stir it. Hold on. Yo, y'all listen to me?
Yeah.
You can't talk to me and I talk to somebody else. The technical people, them will cut you off. Them not like that, here.
All right, Raga.
Yeah. What am I war for?
Raga over man.
Hold on. A man them a war for and two feces for one another.
Yeah.
About how many people are war? How much of them are war?
No, but about.
Yo, Ruth, we can't talk to that because the background noise, because something not going to happen. And we don't want them are go, But anyway, I talk to her because Ruth talk to her. I don't know.
Hello.
Great. Yeah, man, greetings.
Greetings, Raga. Calling from
Yeah.
Westmoreland, Raga. Me say,
All right.
have a piece of mix-up to give you, Raga. Me say, Raga, last night, me de in a me house, Raga. And me hear be a nice road, Raga. You see, when time I run out of the house, Raga,
Yeah.
I hear say one popular man I walk up there, I want school, Raga, to sell food, Raga. Me say, Raga,
Well on.
me say, Raga, the man buy cucumber and the principal name in the Raga in a fridge keg where next man yard, Raga. The man run out with the machete, Raga. Fit chop off his neck.
Well on. Listen to me. Yeah, listen to me now.
Yes, Raga.
All right. You see why you tell me the thing? You know, have to do like Biggie and say Raga so many times, here?
All right, Raga.
All right. So you say one popular man take the principal
Raga.
name,
Work a
put it...
popular school in a Westmoreland.
Good, I'm glad you not call the name. Put the principal name in a cucumber. And when go put the cucumber, when go put the obia cucumber with the principal name in there? When go put it?
In the next youth fridge, give the youth the cucumber to put them in a bag, say a chicken back and sitting in there.
So what the youth go do? Him go check the bag?
Yes, because he would say, I be a killing mother Raga. So when he go look, he say, how this your man give him this your bag here so long with this your chicken back here. When he find out, cucumber tie up with black cheddar and chicken back and one whole heap of parchment paper, Raga.
Okay, so stop right there, sir. Well on. Him give the youth the thing now with the principal name, write on the parchment paper and put in the cucumber and mix up a cook and tell the youth to put this in your fridge for me. So the youth know him know in nothing with Obi because him say Obi kill Fee, mama.
Yes, Raga.
So the youth go check the thing now and see the thing. So the youth bust it out.
Yes, Raga. The man run go over yard with go for mash it, for chop off his neck, Raga.
Well on. Who run go with machete for chop off? Who go over there with machete?
The man when the bag.
Oh, the youth.
Yes, yeah.
So he run go over there for chop up the man because the man give him things to Obi and make him put Obi things in his fridge and never tell him.
Yes, Raga.
Okay, and then what happen when he go over there now? So when he run go over there with the machete, what happen?
One next youth now, whole back youth came and him work, them a co-work and say, what happened man, and the man start tell him say, the man give him up there in a fridge. Cause every time I eat him very careful, Raga, him a say what happened to him. So he go search in the fridge, Raga, and see it.
Well, what you tell me say, the youth who own the fridge every time from him take the... From the man give me something put in our fridge. From that time then when him eat him belly careful, I saw him decide to go check the bag. Oh.
Yeah, full.
And him said the reason why him belly careful is because the man go make him put the Obi or something in his fridge now.
In the fridge, Raga. The man new brand fridge, Raga, where the man buy 2 weeks ago, Raga.
Okay. So when him rush him with...
Hello?
Go on to, yeah. Go on to.
Mr. Raga, the man I work over upon the principal at our popular primary school, Raga. He sell food, Raga.
Oh, what the principal I want him selling food out there?
No, Raga. Call the principal, call police on him, Raga.
Okay. Because the principal I want him selling food out there. The principal called police for the crime now want to leave and true that him want to fix up the principal business with some good over here.
Me a tell her, Raga. The whole community shock, Raga. Because his mother say no. The next lady I walk over upon him down the road. And it proved last night, Sissy say. And the mother and the son are walking over there in a community, Raga.
Oh. So I don't know which way your man then go to?
No, sir. We don't know, Raga. We don't know. Because we don't deal with over there, Raga. We pray down for we need and pray to Father God to help we.
Nice. You know, so which part of Westmoreland this is going?
Stratbogie, Raga. Stratbogie, Westmoreland.
All right then.
So, Raga.
Send it on. Yeah, make hear.
Mr. Raga, last week Friday, Raga, in a big Savlamar town.
Yes.
One popular taxi man and his wife put on a piece of fighting, Raga.
A lie.
They said the wife go, you know, Raga. You see the popular taxi man?
Yeah.
The next woman, they climb to a ceiling and catch him in a Raga. A stroke the woman in a Raga.
Well, who catch you a strokes? Who? What?
The next woman man come catch a popular taxi man a stroke the next woman, Raga.
Okay, the bonner girl one. And then what me I know?
And then, Raga, last week Friday now, the wife come catch the mate, and the husband in a car, Raga, in a big Savlamar town, Raga. One piece of fighting, Raga.
So wait, how the fight go? Who beat up who?
Boy, the lady mash up the popular taxi man from Stratbogie in a Raga.
So all this go on in a Savlamar right there, so?
Yes, Raga, you know from when you call to get you and can't get your Raga.
Oh, Jesus. Then that is how you ever mix up it because the woman can't catch our man assault out the bonner girl. But you said the bonner girl man did catch the same popular taxi man as stroke the bonner girl, don't it?
Yes, the man jumped through ceiling top, Raga.
Man. I be a budding and fling over Sav, man.
Me a tell her, Raga, hot. I sell more rice and peas. Bun.
Okay. Oh, when you say bun, I sell more than rice and peas. Eh,
Yes, Raga.
Bona fling left, right, and center over stuff. Anyway,
Raga.
thank you for the look a mix up there.
All right, Raga.
All right, take care. Well, as I know Westmoreland people, I'm lucky and sitting and think too good mix up that. Somehow know I sound confused. Listen. The taxi man is a popular taxi man and him have him woman and a bonner girl, right? Real quickly, because we are going to ask racing now. And the taxi man woman come catch him and sort out the bonner girl, but at a different time, the bonner girl man did come catch a taxi man and sort out the bonner girl. Hello?
Hello.
Hello, yes?
Good evening, Raga.
Good evening.
Okay, I have a mix-up. I'm kind of nervous. So you can see with me?
Yeah, man, may I see with you? Just talk up a little louder here.
Okay, then. I think it was about a month ago.
Yeah.
I was talking to this guy before, and he had a baby mother, and it was like we were talking for a while, and then we stopped talk, and then I meet this guy up until December, and it was like.
Okay. You only have 2 more minutes before the. Just so you know, you only have 2 more minutes before the ass racing come in here.
Okay, then. It ended up that I cheated on my boyfriend with the guy, with my ex, as he would put it. And
right.
I told my boyfriend, and he kind of stood me up and he did something really stupid. He invited me to his home, and then we did something, and then he sent me home at 4 o'clock in the morning by myself, just to get back at me.
Really?
So
what you did think about that? Yeah.
I thought that if he decided he wasn't going to forgive me, he should have just simply told me that it was over instead of doing that.
All right, then. So what happened after that? Oh, it ended up then?
It ended up that he said that he was sorry, and I gave him another chance. And then he keeps on telling me that him don't forgive me, but yet still him calling me, and we keep on sort out. And after we sort out, then him stop call, and then when he want to sort out, him call back. But the thing is that I really love him, but it's like him a tell me say him love me, but I don't know.
You really love him, but what? But there's a but there, but what? What?
But he keep on showing down what I did to him in my face. And that's not nice.
What? No, but don't you think say you have to give him a little time to get over it? You know, because remember say a bunny, you know, you got dash out the sitting upon him, you know, then that hot in a man.
But Raga, I was drunk when it happened, man. Raga, it wasn't like I give the guy freely. The guy took me out and trim me with him, and I'm going to give him like that because I have a boyfriend. He made me drunk before him. You see? And I explained
so
all of that.
Are you saying, hold on, are you saying that because you were drunk, your boyfriend should understand it?
No, I'm not saying that, Raga, but if him no say, him not going to forgive me. Him should have just simply tell me instead of just play with my feelings.
Okay, me see what you say, but at the same time, it's confusing for him, you know, because him love you, but him can't forget what you do. So, it's not just either for him right now. He might try to figure out him way right now. It's like, him love you and him enjoy you, but him just can't. Every day him get up, all when him a drive or walk, you know, him just a see the man a sort you out, you know. I know, you see, if you go call him now and tell him, say, you know, say me down the road I drink one, so him a go get nervous. I wonder if you go. Yeah, I'm going to wonder if you're going to get drunk and that's what they say Adams.
But I'm not the type of person to drink.
You're not the type of person?
No, that's why you know that I'm kind of lightheaded.
Okay, so what you going to drink with him for then? If you know, say I saw yesterday.
Look, I trust this person. I trust him, and he was like, inside now going to make me drunk.
Hold on, 1 second. Well, on stay up on the line here, because it look like the ass racing will come right. Oh, Lord have mercy. Stay up on the line. Them going to do ass racing. Your route I can make sure so we'll come back to you, I think. Then go do ass racing.
I mix up and blend that time.
I'm want to call and talk up the thing,
Hey, man, welcome back up in the sitting now for ass racing and thing. I'm back to a caller there. So, caller. What may I say to you, you know? So, when it comes to drinking thing, you know, you're more careful now, don't you?
Well, it just happened about a month ago. But I don't usually drink. As I was telling, I told the person that I don't drink because my head light. And he was like, yeah, man, me know say head light, not just one drink. But true, me know say me trust him. It was like we got in a situation where we could have sex and he never pushed me. So me never figure say him never do me that. So me just continuously a drink. And me thinking he'll just bring me home afterwards. But it happened that him take advantage of the situation and now me and my man in a problem.
Right. Him time you and prime you. That him do.
Yeah.
Time you and prime you. All right now, but what me I say? Even not since a month ago, you and him not do nothing again.
No. As I'm telling you from the start, I'm telling you the only person with a game born with are you. So I never did expect that from me. So he kind of shocked.
Hold on. What you say a while ago?
I'm telling you the only person with a game born with are you. If you come along and like me, I was like, yeah, because
hold on. If me, Ragashanti, come and like you tell your man to the only person that game born with is me, Ragashanti.
Yeah.
But why is that? Why is that?
Because I have a huge crush on you, and anytime I see your body, it was like, can catch a fire.
Okay. And so what your man?
What him say?
What your man say about that? What you tell him that?
Him be kind of upset, but him kind of decent with me because him say, well, him think I joke me that, but I'm serious.
You're serious? You're serious?
Yeah. I love
like
him, I love him, but
any of me step to you that,
yeah.
You that do a thing. But when I say, not really tell your man them things they are, man, because most man can't manage them something.
I have a problem too. This pastor man, this 70-year-old pastor man, I look me, but my boyfriend some fishes in your mouth and carry the money come give him.
So what you going to do now? You going to do what your boyfriend say? Yeah, you going to do what your boyfriend say?
Right now, he wants to swipe me, and he kind of crying if you see him.
Okay. All right. So you're not bothered with that then? But your boyfriend don't want you to do nothing with him. He just want you to take the money from him.
No, he just want me to take the money from him.
Okay. And you say you're not going to take the money from the pastor then?
No, because me here say him is a swiper.
Okay. And now, then tell me something. The pastor married?
Yeah, I
know. Okay. And him I look here?
Yeah. Right now, church empty.
Empty? In church empty, nothing not going for church, because everybody know where I'm going with, though.
Yeah.
Anyway, me hear what you say, blessings and respect. You just go out, and nobody to make your boyfriend know them argument there, because most man can't deal with them woman and tell them, say, them would have bond them with that certain man they are, whichever man it is. You're not to tell them things there.
I know.
All right, and blessings and respect for your link here.
Bye, love you, Rada.
All right, sweetie, you take care now. Anyway, give me an ex-caller. Hello?
Boy, Raga, you are stula. I tell you.
Me?
Yes,
me.
You don't long me wait. Anyway, big up my friend. We move out left her man. She and her man have little things and she move out. And she said she dream, she get a dream, say, he might get a piece of start out. When she wake up and realize it's a dream, she want mad. Sure.
So what the mix up there?
And I mix up. Better tell her about my friend. It's a big arrow.
Oh, that's a... Okay, all right. Then that's happened to everybody, you know. You know, many time me have them dream, them and dream, so I do the things, and then when I wake up and she say, yo, it ever happened to you, and you get up, and when you wake up and realize you dream, you try drop back and sleep quick to finish it.
You see, I'm going to tell you something about myself now. I say, what do you have an appointment, I'm going to call you, Pop smear. I was 12 o'clock appointment, and when I up on the taxi, I realized I left my earphone. Raga believe me, I walk up and down in the afternoon, look at earphone. I'm reaching my appointment 1 o'clock just to find the earphone because I'm mad when I get to listen to your show. Seriously, Raga, I love your program straight. I'm just big you up, Michelet, Root, and all of them. You know what I say? Crisscross.
All right.
More big up my sister text her. She just sent on internet so she'll listen because she can't miss you. Big up my sister. Twin
Big
Star
up,
Reed, big up yourself.
What your sister name? What your
Twin
sister
Star
name?
Reed.
What?
Twin Star Reed. That she have on her one. I don't want to call out her name.
Oh, okay. Big up Twin Star Reed. Now worry yourself over there in Texas.
Yeah,
Big good up Twin Star Reed. Where she play football and thing.
Yeah, footballer.
Well, large up herself do that thing and tell her she must careful when she kick the balls them. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. All right.
I love it to the world.
Now say a word, man. Protection here.
All right, cool.
Now say a word. We're going to break. We're soon fall.
A Mixup and Blenda time.
I'm walking the car and talk up the things them.
Yeah, man. Again, people, we are holiday in Jamaica, Ash Wednesday, and sitting. And we are kick back with the program because I only put horse racing in it and thing every half hour. We have a break for horse racing. So we just kind of flavor up the thing out here. Chris Cross played. Give me our next call. I can feel our vibes in the idea. Yeah. Good afternoon, hello.
Good afternoon.
Yes, greetings.
Hello.
Yes, hello.
Good afternoon. This is Ragashanti.
Hold on, no. You have a radio near you?
No, dear. I'm out at the road.
Okay, all right. Then, yeah, man, I gotta talk to you now. Talk up.
Okay. Good afternoon. Long time listener, first time caller.
All right.
Okay. I just want to big up the landlord who is renting house and he knows how to write a receipt. He needs to spend some sense. He's very done.
When you say my rent house, I don't know if I write receipt.
Yes, and he don't know how to write a receipt or a notice. He's a dunce. He needs to learn some sense.
No, but probably we should be a little bit understanding because him only and him not I put it.
Exactly, that's the reason why.
Oh, him I put it.
Yes.
Okay. Well, that's different because we don't want to put down people who happen to not be able to read and write. You understand?
Well, in his position,
in
his position, he should be more educated, but he is not.
All right. Now say a word here.
He needs to go to school for that. So have a good day now, Yaga.
All right, then. Bless up and respect here. Okay. Yeah, Bunks and Scarlet, large up. Greetings.
Greetings, brother. How are you?
There you are.
Yeah, man. Go on with the faith and do you have to do and make people laugh. You know, a couple years ago, when I listened to all them talk show, they go on. I said to myself, you know, say, you don't want
to. Cut that out.
Yes, I wrote about it. But if you're starting to go and stay for your current company and behave, anyway you want to behave, talk, come in your mouth, and just...
But why would you want to do that? Why you need to do that?
Just mean express yourself whichever way without having nobody to govern you. But no, you cover that thing with... Yeah, right. You cover that thing now where people laugh, people enjoy themselves, release the stress, and all of that. You hear say a thing one time, somebody say, you never see a man throw a stone at empty mango tree.
Right.
Listen, man. You see, if you walk and book out go 10 to, people go and talk. Yeah. And if you walk and change your shoes 3 times a day, people go and talk. So keep on doing what you do.
Manners
you can't please nobody. If you follow the peace, people go and kill yourself. So do what you have to do. You hear me, brother? All the faith, respect and honor. All right, brother.
Manners and respect.
A Mixup and Blenda time.
I'm walking the car and talk up the things them.
Hey, man, welcome back up in Ice Sitting. Welcome back up in Ice Sitting. We're there. Them have some people that wait for call, you know, on the line for a little bit. But why Chris Cross go on with some things, you know, so and here we go. Good afternoon, hello.
Yes, sir.
15 minutes, 15 minutes. Yeah, man, yes. Well, go to.
Yes, long time listener, first time caller, you know.
All right.
Yes, my boss. I just want to say big up, you know, and more you tell some people, especially some woman, if them a get swipe, they know for make it be public. Because what you do is like, you see the good swipe of them, the man swipe of them. It kind of cause some sort of embarrassment for me. Because, the other day me hear some people come a road, Raga. And when me hear them, the people that talk about them a get swipe. Believe you me, Raga, for 2 months straight, me couldn't do no swiping, Because every time that me attempt to swipe, I feel them face me, I see.
Tambourine!
No, Raga, I don't know joking with that, but a serious thing that I tell you. Me say, me 2 months straight,
Yeah.
Just them face, when me hear them talk about swiping, Raga, me I say, oh God, man, look where swiping down to, man. Eh? You can't even imagine that? Look where swiping down to.
Okay, so you say,
hello?
When time the woman them get them swipe from the man them, yes, the woman them not for go a road, go talk about this one.
No, Raga, if them look good, nothing wrong with that, You see me?
What?
But I some pop down woman, I come a road and I talk about woman and swipe them,
Okay.
I mash up my image, because every time that for 2 months straight, me couldn't do no swiping, because every time that I attempt to swipe, I feel them face me, I say.
Yeah, see them face.
And the face no look nice. Then
Okay. Me see what you say. And basically, you say, as a man, when you are swipe, you don't want a woman go a road go tell nobody say you swipe.
No, if a woman look good at me, I have no problem, But I'm just saying that the women who are facially challenged.
Right. That is a term we use.
You see me, I say?
Okay. So if the woman pretty, she can go and say which man a swipe her. But if she's facially challenged, because that is a term I coin on this, if she has challenges to her facial features, then that woman should. So basically, I say ugly woman will get swiped, not for go road, go send and get swiped.
Keep it on the down low, you see it?
Keep it, keep it. Well on, and no pun intended when you say keep it on the down low, right?
No pun intended.
Why? Anyway, keep it on the down low. All right, Papa. All right, give me a man say. You hear a man say? A man say, ladies, if you don't get swiped, I want to know that you don't look too well. Don't go tell nobody. Keep it on the down low. But if you're not hot girl, I want to shell him say on the free for that. Yeah, that brother that I write it about sample. Me no lie, my sample. Here we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Brother.
Yeah, what's up? Yeah?
I'm not hear you good.
Yeah, man. I'm there. Talk up.
Yeah, I just want to pick up your tongue. And then, I'm not Karen from morning. I want to go with the
Hold on. What you know about my tongue? Is who this Melbo?
Your tongue and take the big up now.
Hold on. Is who this Melbo?
Yes.
Melbo, you come and mix up An Blenda. And you enter the jolly with the lolly competition. And you do, hold on. You do all kind of magical things with your mouth and your tongue when you did their mix up and blender. In the jolly with the lolly competition. You make people run out of them seat the way all you're good with your tongue. And you call it a big up my tongue?
Someone can't big up my own tongue too?
No, I mean for big up your tongue.
Well, big up my tongue then.
Okay.
Go ahead, me wait.
No, me just want big up your KD night tongue because it bad no box cover, man. Big up Melbu KD night tongue. Okay, because I hear tongue of the sheriff tongue. Run the town, man.
No, be careful. It not run no town. I just that on the show. Yeah, like that. Anyway, Karen gonna beat with the man. Yeah.
What Karen gonna beat you though?
Where someone?
You just say Karen gonna beat with the people, man. Is that you say?
Yeah, the people are married man. Everybody knows that Karen take married man.
Okay, me just did want to make sure that you say.
Yeah, that me say moving right along. More big up my Ridge Line.
Long time.
And Ugly Betty. And Kedisha with her 42 teeth, yeah.
All right, so you now big up your finger them.
Oh God, Mr. Raga. Jesus Christ, I wake up tired this morning. Later.
All right, then take care. Hey, boy, oh boy. Hey, boy, Marsha, you have a piece of influence there, you know, because I notice when people start hang out with you, them start talk like you. Yeah, I notice people that talk like Marsha. Big up Marsha Ridgeline, now everybody talk like you, so. Man, I could have walked down. Whoa. Hold on. A racing time again. Ruthie, what's the story? What's the story? Oh, okay. Give me Alex call. Hello.
Raga.
Hello. Yeah.
Give thanks to life, man.
Roscovo!
All right, sir.
What you say?
Give thanks to life again and a happy Ashes Day to all who celebrate it. However, don't go around putting the ashes over your face like they always do.
Okay.
Other just love big up Natalie / Nika from Fanwall. And the sister who called from England and I talk up the Jamaica part with her English accent. It sounds very good. I love it.
No, it real, you know, I never put on it real, because I did feel her out, you know. No, and our thing real, our thing set, you know.
However, this brother who call and I complain how what swiping gone to. It really gone to a stage because one time when any man do them sitting there in a bedroom, shame over it the next day and nobody know, you know.
Right.
Until him know I can't talk about people who not look good enough to go and boast. At the end I swipe the woman's face. So what about where her face have to be in her card slot?
What you say what? What you say what? What you say where her face?
What her face have to do with her cards in card slot?
It's
not easy.
No, what the gentleman is saying is that if a man go time way and go swipe a woman who don't look good, who don't look pleasant, who is channeling, him say it's just generally not a good idea for that lady to go around and announce that she was swiped by that man. You know?
Why not?
In other words, he's implying that the man would have done the woman a favor by executing that activity.
If something good was done to her, if capital. It was something
perhaps,
that was done to her.
No, but the gentleman is saying if people like those ladies continue doing so, then men will not be swiping them anymore. So in order to preserve those...
The woman like them, they will continue doing it. Because, Brethren, I am saying enough of the ugly face woman slap the pop down like the so-called hot pretty girl, them, you know. Because their slats are abused and used. Then in doing so, it wear and tear.
Right.
And does not provide.
But Raskava, you're a bona fide Rasta man and thing. I mean, no, definitely say you burn out them things. Because I mean, you talk about this already. Right. And you say you not support the swiping thing. But
no.
Raskava, with all due respect, you want to rate you for, you know. You are very uncompromising with respect to your beliefs and your African centeredness and your conviction to the principles of Marcus Garvey and Haile Selassie. But the other thing I'm rate about you is that you know we're going in the street and you're flexible certain way. I'm sure you must know say only for Rasta man a swipe now. What do you think about that?
I mean, I know for Rasta, only for Laxta might be doing it.
Oh, so what you say? From a man a swipe, by definition, he cannot be a true Rasta man.
No, a Laxta do them sit there and then give people the impression that a Rasta do them things there.
No, but Raskava, you seem to be suggesting that the very definition of Rastafari and what it means to be Rastafari makes no provisions for sexual diversity involving. So wait, swiping is an immoral act? Swiping is an immoral act?
Of course. It's nasty, and it's totally unproductive, and it's immoral.
No, hold on. You can't say it's nasty because you're entitled to that opinion, but you cannot say it's unproductive. Because from what
with a stiff tongue.
No, you can't talk about child. That is like saying, how can you produce a child? Hold on. Don't you kiss? No, let me ask you something. Don't you kiss woman?
And that's what your tongue was made to do.
Right, but what I'm saying, the act of kissing don't produce a child, but it's a sexual act, so you can't say.
You don't go with the intention of producing a child by kissing a woman. But from the moment you go to a slot machine, that should be the first thing on your mind. It's for
No. What I'm saying to you is that, don't you think you can disagree with it, but do not reach? You can't do what the Catholic Church I do. You can't do what some of the denomination I do. You can't disagree with it. No, how can you say a man is not Rastafari because him I go service him Empress that way there?
No, but you don't need to. It's all right. Let me compromise it. You see, if such Rastaman that you are talking about, he's not able to use his tool, and he might have a pop down tool and a stiff tongue. For whatever reason, and he choose to do that, that is up to him. But it's not something that we practice or teach among the Rastafari family. Because we believe
certainly not. I'm just saying, if it reach the point where you're actually excommunicating members from Rastafari for engaging in that activity where they think they need to do that to pleasure their empresses, that perhaps that's a bit of a stretch. But you can disagree with it. You can continue burning it out. You can say it nasty. And fine, that's okay.
No, I'm saying that, brethren. You see, you have guidelines, you have morals that every group of ones, religious or otherwise, would need to abide by. In the Christian fraternity, if you don't follow the 10 Commandments, you're not seen as a Christian. Yeah?
Right.
So if you don't follow the teachings of His Imperial Majesty, plus the guidelines that is set up to govern or to help to guide an eye on a straight way, then you're straight, you're gone, you're on a Rasta again. Some man out there with them long locks that sweep dot, and them feet, they have pattern face. That's not a Rasta.
And them a pattern face.
Yeah. Them on a Rasta.
What that mean, Rasta?
You see pattern on them face, a razor left. Then shave have what kind of pattern on them face.
Okay,
Mr. By that alone, you know, it's not a Rasta that. Because the first thing Rasta do are burn scissors and comb and razor.
Right.
So a lot of one out there who lock them here and become lockster and giving people false impression to them a Rasta. So one need to know the difference, and it's not just merely by how you look, but it have to be balanced with what you do. Because at the balance, because man, my granny used to say, mouth cut crossways, say anything. So it's your word and work that I want you need to see and assess who you really is.
All right, Carver no vex, but but the ass racing will come up here now. 1 minute, here.
To tell what I say?
Yeah.
All right, I would just love to appeal to the ones who in the cash for gold trade. Please, don't target the school children as I've seen happening, because remember them now working, them not have gold. So when you target them, you're giving them the impression that they can't go take any gold anywhere they see it and can't come selling it. Please.
Real thing. All right, Carver. Ross Carver outside of me a pen. I have the place locked over there. I'm a boss. I don't know that. Okay, ass racing time again.
A mix-up and blender time.
I'm wanting to call and talk up the things them.
Man, welcome back again. I want to remind you people that today's broadcast, again, is a national holiday in Jamaica, and that we also had the horse racing every half hour and so forth, so we kind of abbreviated the program somewhat and relaxed some of the things then, because we can't flow like how we usually flow. All right, you know, I mix up with the straight and thing. If anybody just want to call, I make a big up in the holiday. Yeah, feel free to do that. And here we go. Give me one more caller. Good afternoon.
Hello.
Yes, greetings.
Hello.
Yes, hello.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, you call and you say hello and you say yeah.
Yeah, I'm off the air. Hello.
No, you're on here.
Oh, I don't want to go on the air. Could I speak with you off the air?
Hold on. Stop right there, sir. What? Stop right there, sir. So you call me and you hear me dip on the ear. And you call for me talk to you off the ear now.
Yeah.
Then how me for do that, darling? You not talk to Ruth, man. You come on the ear and tell me say you want to talk to me. Eh?
I speak with her.
No. What I'm saying is, if you want to talk to me off the ear, you tell Ruth you want to talk to me.
I told her.
No, man. If you tell her she wanna put you on, I tell her say she wanna put you on.
I told her.
Because me get upset at her all the time because it don't make any sense when somebody come on ear while I'm on ear and tell me say them want to talk to me off the ear. It don't make sense.
I told her about 1 hour ago. I'm here holding.
All right, but darling, me can't talk to you. Me can't talk to you now because I'm on ear and thing. Here, but talk to Ruth. I make you deal with where you at. But she talk to you. Here.
All right.
Talk to Ruth. Ruth, you say we must take one more call. One more call, she say we must take. And then we're going to make Chris Cross play. One more call, Ruth. Yeah.
Hello?
Yes, hello?
Hello?
Yes, hello?
Hello, yeah. Raga show?
Yeah, you're on the Raga show.
Hello?
Yes, hello?
Hey, Raga, what's up?
Me there. What go on with you?
Me there, big up Ph.D, because you're good youth.
All right.
Big up Ruth and Chris Ross.
All right.
I'm coming from Portmore, one big up all of my Portmore friend them. But first, big up my mother, because I love her, and big up my brother and my sister them.
What your name?
My name Spice Good Life.
Spice Good Life. And I which part of Portmore you live?
Brayton, big up Brayton straight from 1 to 3.
All right. And what your mother name?
Big up my mother Natty, that me I talk about.
What your mother name?
Natty. Yeah.
Natty from Brayton.
Yeah. And because my grandmother will watch you night and day like she in love with her. Because my grandmother Gigi.
What your grandmother name? Gigi?
Gigi, yeah. Always
so your mother name Natty and your grandmother name Gigi?
Yeah.
Mad.
Because my good life friend them, Lisha, good life. Diamond, good life, Tamara and Zoe. Because my family them.
All right, now say a word, bless up here.
Yeah, I mean say me to walk out. I mean say when wife is spread bed, me to pull up that.
Man, so you're mate?
Yeah, certified one. Time one.
You're certified mate.
Yeah.
And when wife is spread up bed, I'm mate if you pull it up now.
Yeah.
All right. So what is your name? What will we call you? What I call you?
Spice.
Spice, you have me ask you already, you tell me. All right. All right, Spice and Brittany, large up yourself here.
Yeah, we go.
Okay, people, take care of yourself. 1:30 tomorrow, the show kick off again. Tune in and thing, and I don't know everything set. Large up on yourself and be safe. All right? 1:30 tomorrow, we kick it off again. And we some Mixup and Blenda Entertainment.
Mix up and Blenda, that's how. Hey. Up there. Shake your tambourine and praise the Lord. But the leaf on the top of my mind, it comes a win a revival time. Everybody shake up the tambourine and praise the
Yo,
Lord.
Richie, you cut off that too quick, man. Aye. Rap. Welcome up in the set now. I don't know, so we have clip, lock and stock. You see it, and when we feel nice, we empty them. You see it. As I think said, welcome to the Mixup and Blenda set now with me, the king of Mixup, Ragashanti. Blessings and respect to all Massive and Crow. Big up all of my Tambourine Nation members, them. Big up the Mixup and Blenda family to the flipping world. And we some Mixup entertainment. And I don't know, so our motto is laugh, learn, and grow to the flipping world. And we have our next motto. A thick skin and broad back, I do it. What we say? A thick skin and broad back, I do it. Yeah, no complaining. You either defend it or shut up. You either move to your opponent or you just shut up and hold it and bill. And that was it. Yeah, we're up on the landlord mix-up. See me today at Thursday. Look more from. This is all about cuss out, get to the beat, rap. But first of all, because if everybody represent for the mixer, the University of Mixnapology, the University of Mixnapology, everybody there, downtown Kingston, you're there. We get the fabulous people, I'm on there. Augustown, on there. Southside, on there. Waterhouse, on there. Tivoli Garden, on there. West Kingston, on there. Jungle, on there. Country people, my good country people, on there. All who believe in a God, on there. All Rasta man and Rasta woman, on there. Bronx, New York, on there. But of course, Brooklyn, New York, on there. But of course, Queens, New York, on there. Strong Island, Long Island, on there. Man. Toronto, Canada, on in the building. Man. The whole of Canada, on there. London, England, on there. Manchester, England, on there. Luxembourg, you're in the building. I hope so. Bulgaria, in the building. All our Jamaicans and Caribbean people in the United States Army, where they all over the world will listen to this show. South Korea, there. Mad. Afghanistan, there. Mad. Japan, there. Mad. And big up all our South Africa people and our Botswana people and who left out the show like that. I always think global, so. I one of the things that will hurt up the dirty people head. You see it? So we give thanks indeed that we say juggling. Emily in the building, you alright?
Boom, there, man.
You're good?
Yeah, man. You?
You know your sound.
How? Don't say me sound hungry, because I'm not hungry, I just eat.
Okay, no, you just start sound better.
Stop take liberty on me.
No, you just start sound better now, but initially when you start. No, when you just answer a while ago, it's like you need a dumpling or two, you know?
I'm not a lover of dumpling. If you had said rice, I could agree with you.
No, but if you're dead for hungry, you know, if you really are dead for hungry, you know, you say a dumpling, you know you clot it up.
I'm going to tell you about it.
Okay. Hey, when hungry a clot, you know, you wax or something where you never usually
yo, big up dumpling and butter.
Long time. Flour dumpling.
Well, I'm a cornmeal dumpling fan.
Me prefer flour dumpling. But cornmeal dumpling better. But,
yeah. Flour dumpling buying you. So I've been told.
I don't know about that. I'm a regular visitor to the lavatory.
TMI.
Yeah, I mean to keep it loose. I wish the boy. I wish the boys for experience freedom. Yeah.
Daily.
Yeah.
Every day.
Every day. I wish the boy liberation. Yeah.
I think you're pushing it now.
No, and Karen will understand that. Karen, is it to Karen to sit-ups every day? She go to the bathroom every day. Karen Wildman. She go to the bathroom every day. Because sit-ups help you to go to the bathroom. Enough people don't know that.
But I don't have a love bathroom bar.
Oh, no, well, that's you have a problem because you just always eat.
I'm healthy.
So
I'm healthy.
You are in a perpetual diarrhea state.
I'm healthy. That's what's happening. I'm healthy.
Yo, tell me something, man.
Yeah.
After them manner hearings there and whatever, if anybody asks anybody a question in a Jamaica, them not get a straight answer. You can't blame them.
No, I cannot recall.
Hey, police are have a hard time now, you know.
No.
When police ask people questions and them answer the police depend. Yo, answer me straight, man. Answer me straight. And I'm going to say, you want me have strength for? You know, have strength for dirty light burn. You don't have strength for the Minister of National Security. When them not... No, honest. For real. All right, you know what? You know, say that throwback jersey. So, Richie, let's play about 5-7 minutes of tune and make we do Can You Believe. Okay, inside our half-hour late time start because of the manner thing and I don't know the level set and thing. It's about 8 minutes to 2 o'clock. It's a good time for... say that one now. This occurred in, remember, can you believe it, are true stories from around the world that make you say, Papa Jesus, then anything really can go so. And for today's Can You Believe It, we're in a place called Copenhagen in Denmark. Copenhagen in Denmark, that's in Western Europe. I should say northeast of England, for those of you who know where England is. Of course, bank robber busted by forgotten urine. Bank robber busted by forgotten urine. A Swedish bank robber forgot to cover his tracks and left 3 bottles of urine behind after hiding inside a bank vault in Copenhagen for 3 days. The 27-year-old man and his accomplice used the bottles to relieve themselves after sneaking into the vault on a Friday in May and remaining there until the bank opened again the following Monday. While inside, the robbers emptied 140 safety deposit boxes of at least US $500,000 in cash and jewelry. But prosecutor Frederick Larson said Wednesday they forgot to take the urine when they left, so we were able to get their DNA samples from the bottles. The evidence helped prosecutors win a 21-month prison sentence for the Swede on Tuesday. His accomplice is still at large, and the loot has not been recovered. Again, people, them bank robber, they look like them now watch Forensic Files and the New Detectives. They look like them now watch A&E Channel. Them now watch True TV. Them now watch Discovery Channel and them things there. Because them going out, them come up with a brilliant idea for going out bank and lock up themselves in the vault from Friday. And then the whole weekend them they empty out the vault. They have, in so-called developed nations, just like how them have like a fingerprint database. So if you get a job, and the job asks you for your fingerprint, post 9/11 rules and, not only in the U.S. but all over. Give all kind of federal agencies access to all them databases. So if you do something and them take your fingerprint, them just go run it in the database, man, and see if them find a match. Well, they have started doing the same thing with DNA. Everybody have a unique DNA and things. So what they are doing now is essentially saving up all records of people DNA, so that when they catch somebody with something, them can go so bam and run the DNA and see if it match. Not only that, in this case, I would imagine, when they get the brother them PP in a buckle, them just run the DNA and perhaps see if them have a match already in the system. And if them man they did convicted for anything before and give up them DNA sample or anything, them can't match it. But that's how them catch him. Him can't tell him say him never in there. I remember DNA is essentially unique to each person. And you're identical twins, so forth. But so them prove say him did in the bank vault because of him PP in the back. Him can't say Adam's PP. Him can't say I don't remember, I cannot recall. Him can't say anything like what them are saying a man at right now. Because the evidence speak conclusively say him. So again, people, them brother I rob the bank and stay over in the bank vault for the whole weekend from Friday to Monday. And essentially make a clean getaway. But because them did need for PP over the weekend, and got PP in a buckle and left them the buckle them in there. And them use them thing they catch them. You see, law enforcement has changed dramatically, in the last 10, 20 years. Forensics are run the thing right, And we have seen where they are, they are improving our forensic capabilities right there in Jamaica. And we have seen where it has yielded some interesting results in cases and so forth. That's how I think said the people. That was...
something.
Oh my God! Can you believe that?
All right, then we're going to look a break right here. I was soon forward up back in the sitting.
A mix up and blend that time.
I'm wanting to call and talk up the thing them.
Look at that. It's about 60 minutes after 2 o'clock. It's a Thursday, so it's time for that special game that we play, Ghetto Debate, a.k.a. Koso, Mad Again. It's the time when we have two combatants, some two lyrical combatants, display their skills at Koso, display their skills at coming up with very creative metaphors, display their skills at coming up with some shell-down punchline. More time than I go out with nothing, so I just saw the thing set. Ruthie, remind me what the topic is again. Remind me what the topic, what the topic's supposed to be again. But we understand. I'm listening to my producer. My producer say we're starting with these two people. We have Woulda online, and we also have Nicey. Woulda and Nicey. Nicey is a woman, and if I remember correctly, Woulda is a man. And basically, them going get into a ghetto debate about who hyper and who things are going for more, who hotter than who are shell down the place more. You understand? Next week we'll change the topic, but again, right now we're going to have Woulda and Nicey clash, and them are going to clash on the subject of who things are going for more, who are shell down the place more, who better things are going. So bring in Nicey right now. Nicey, good afternoon.
Afternoon, Raga.
Now, yeah, Nice. You ready for the clash, Nice? You ready for the clash?
It's like a long time.
All right, Nice. Remember now, we're going to make I'm bringing Woulda. Woulda.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, Woulda. No, I want you to listen. Remember now, all the thing are running now. One at a time. I want to bother in a long talking when I get to the thing. I want to just make sure say you deliver on a punchline and done the other person or talk up things for yourself. You understand? A clash thing, right? So round by round. I was about to say blow by blow, but I don't want to get in any trouble, so I would just say round by round. All right, Nicey. We're going to make you kick it off and make the first talk right now. Shell it, Nicey.
All right. Hear what me I say. Yes, when me put my pot of teapot on the fire and the fire burn, if me in a lack of desire, my water go dead and my pot go burn up. That's why a Jamaican man me say. Yes, them say foreign man dollar strong. Yes, them dollar strong, but then clock and can't stand up long. As your quintet rate. Yes, Jamaican money me not strong, but the man them have a livelihood.
Hold on. 1 second. Okay. All right. My confusion, sorry the root. It's okay. Who I put on who it better for David? A Jamaican person or a foreign person? A Jamaican person or a foreign person? And Nicey, just attack to good as a Nicey, make it known, say, Jamaican man them better because at least the Jamaican man them have a livelihood. All right, good as talk on the things that answer about that bad. Answer good as.
Yeah, Raga.
No, you talk to Nice. Well on, the good as.
Yeah.
Stop there. Sorry, I look like me cause the confusion. Remember, you can't say a certain word. I think you use a D word right there. So. But remember, good as you are defend foreign people here. Defend foreign people. Why it better for them with somebody from foreign here?
Okay.
There was a miscommunication between Ruth and I. So basically, you are defend, say it better for them with somebody from foreign, and Nicey a defense say it better for them with somebody from Jamaica. Here? All right, good as answer now.
Yeah, I mean, say Paul Raga 5% of the money come here and 6 of your body nice Raga. And that's somebody not look good. So also to defend money and Jamaican man. Jamaican man now look for nice here.
Yeah, hear me good as? You know why you fear ears to foreign man? Because you shed pan a betrayal like when Judas betrayed Jesus. It a kill man like when Moses part the Red Sea and your face coming like when two fraggers are made. That's why the man them a foreign can't go hear your voice and can't see your face.
Answer that,
No.
answer that.
No, nice. I'm going to let that, my love, and that's great. Because I'm supposed to send with them and I credit for what them want. And you nice here, you have to work with a reed stone and a reed stone. That's why you're here.
Let me tell you something good as Jamaican man, they know a good woman. And then when they see good woman, they know. Let me tell you something. You see, let me tell you why you are here years too foreign. Because your shed pan coming like, yes, let me tell you something. You need a plumber and some tangic. Because them say good juju speaks itself, but you want to make nice like a flush stylist.
Yes, that's nice. I'm supposed to make like that first time. It's a speak for itself. But you not cat now cross here, no dog now back. You don't know wrong with your nice. Something you look check up your life, nice. You want to have pen and a paper to start out your life. Can you do
Good as take your time. Can your voice sound like it a come from Aspie? You're coming like the old dent of tin mackerel with them throat a dump when a gravel pass and nasty.
Tin mackerel a good thing, girl. Every dumping now. Tin mackerel a good thing with flour, girl. It's something. You see your body echo. There's no wrong to your body right now, girl.
Good as something nice because you're coming like directory where I tell direction and no man now look your way.
People are look married. When I walk by with people, boy, I have to go down with them back like that. I said, good Lord, although you're good, so are you there body good? Yeah.
You know, a green, yellow light and green light don't find you. The red light, you get you coming like when lightning just puts on the pier walk.
No, anything I've read, me never good. When the red left the body, me never been saying no great like that. I've good stuff or something I've read in that, but you're one gone to red from white.
No, my year one red stop show up and you know, to be a red light, you get stopped. Direct detour, danger end.
Nice, I'm supposed to show red light, because I'm good, nice, think anything with a stab.
No, detour, danger end, you come like when...
Everybody are fling big stone and a fire, because I kill off the man, this part you come from.
Answer nice, answer.
You know, hear me nice here?
Talk again.
Me say your body are fling big stone and fire clap as a kill the man, then what you come, so your body come like standing fan.
Yeah, idiot, and no sense. Your body come like when... Your body come like when lightning just push.
There.
Your body make nice when a gallop like when ass, like your body make nice when a gallop like ass foot.
You hear me nice, see when body good fix.com, good like that. Ask anybody about my website, bodygoodfix.com.
Good as, let me tell you something. You know, say you spell your name wrong, turn it back we and add a stroke on the zero behind and swear you get sad dog.
No, it's very right. The name very good. That's supposed to be the one watch out and the community girl. You have to go and art beat. You have to art beat. Don't let nice. Your body come like when school insects and you
no, you want to pump and a bubble up like down a bubble spring.
Nice. You come like we call it.
No, my you want to bubble up like down a bubble spring. You come like time cooler.
Nice, nice, man. A radio near you, man. Tell them turn off the radio.
No,
turn off the radio.
No,
somebody what? Why don't have a radio play this song?
Not me. Nice here. My good right that. I be a goodness, and I need some good all over. Ask anybody about me.
You get it wrong. You get it wrong. You sure you spell your good wrong? You sure you spell your good right? You get it wrong. You're not good as
that. You're
sad dog. You're sad dog. Turn your name back and spell it right.
Your record scratch that. Not when I go and see you.
Good as who you say take it are nice. You understand? Yo. Nice to make a thought the shell dog thing. Anyway, make us see what the people must say, make us see what the people must say. All right. I soon go over Mixup yard. Look like them not vote yet. Over Mixup yard. I could see what go on. We see what go on fan wall. Melissa said nice. Keisha said good as. Sophia said no vote from her. Ragashanti said nice. Stacy and Walters Ma said nice. Kinda Priestley said nice. Trevor and Ruth said nice. Hendra Reed said nice. Keisha Couture said it looked like somebody I tell nice what to say. So she not comfortable with that. Chevelle, nice, the winner, nice, straight. Gaza, Burley, So Blessed Brown, Liam, but nice win. Shade Wilmot said, good as take that. Tracy Longleg Stewart said, nice win. Susan Irving, nice win. Stephanie Paradise, nice. Gwendolyn Wilson said, no vote. Legendary Janice, nice. Aldit, she got Swag Ricketts, nice. Gaza, Tashawn White, nice. Sharice William, nice. So Fanwell basically say nice lucky. Make we see what AC are going with over here. So Melisha Johnson said none of them. Tara Bell Evans a nice, take it secretive. Christy said nice. Germination Watson say good as take it. Paulette McQueen, nice. Miss Keys, good up, nice. Tammy, good girl, Neil, nice. Bumptious Bentley, nice. Sharika Kimon Smith, nice. Christine Wilkes, nice. Well, it look like AC Wall. I say, nice. Take it to and thing. You see. Well, overall, it look like a nice them give it to and thing. But I thought they were nice, it didn't make, which is good as flip around your name and change the O to D and you get sad dog. Something like so. That I wanted it going. I wanted it kind of. You see. Okay, the winner from Ghetto Debate Cuss Out today is nice. So saith you, the listeners and thing. Okay, we're gonna ask you not to call in and vote on it today because that's going to take up time from the mix-up. So don't call in and vote. We just kind of go with what we get already. All right? Congratulations to Nicey, the winner of Ghetto Debate. Cuss out today. Next week, we're going to have a different topic. And we're going to bring back Carl. We had wanted to put Carl this week, but we couldn't get in touch with Carl earlier. We got in touch with him a little late. So we bring back Carl in the mix next week. And thing. Cuss out, Ghetto Debate. We're going to break people. We're so forward because we're going straight to the phone line and taking the calls on the topic. Landlord mix-up or any other mix-up wanna have. Landlord mix-up or any other mix-up wanna have. You see. So forward.
A mix-up and blender time.
I'm wanting to call and talk up the team.
Mix-up and blender family. You don't know we love and call them, you know. But nobody get we in no trouble. No bad word. No mention nobody name or where them come from. No say nothing we can identify them. Remember, we love the program, you know, and we want to keep it on the radio. So please, me I beg you to keep it clean. Hey, I laugh, learn and grow, we say, you know. Hey, Raga, run the thing.
Yeah, man, welcome back up in the center. Welcome back up in the center. All right, let me just read off some email real quick before we go to the phone lines. Let's read them email real quick. When I say Raga, big up the girl where I look and I try to take her best friend man, which is me, and apply a chef use cut her toenail them. She can't get me with them, the two there. No respect to her. Again, the youth just said that he has a Raga, big up the girl where I look and I try to take her best friend man, which is me, and apply a chef use cut her toenail them. She can't get me with them the two of them. No respect to your Raga. Yo. You know, so when a girl reach a point where apply a chef use cut her toenail, she stick it on her. She needs to go see Al Bundy, you know. She needs to go get her nails done at Al Bundy. Get them, I don't know, treated or something, soften up or something. Next email. Hey, Raga, big up to the lady. that take the taxi at closing knock Patrick Manville on Friday. When she opened her bag and take out her fear, is about 16 years of roach run out of her bag, Raga. Everybody in the back of the taxi have to brush them off. Big up the taxi driver who stop and let us come out and brush out the car. I felt bad for her, Raga. I know she felt bad too because she kept on saying, and you know somebody did wipe out the bag last night. Raga, please tell the taxi driver he must drive with a buckle of emergency beer gun. Now people, I put it to you now, what kind of slackness is this? Woman carrying a taxi, I open her bag and take out her fear and 16 age and to all of the foreigners them don't know for some reason Jamaicans, old school Jamaicans in particular, they call small cockroaches teenagers. Again, Jamaicans call small cockroaches teenagers. You understand? So that woman I open her bag and forgot pay her fear and a 6 small cockroach run out of her bag. And I talk about, you know somebody did wipe out the bag last night. Yo, big up the people who are walking and going like them hot and roaching in them bag. Big up the woman them who are roll out like so them wicked and hot like that and roaching at them bag. Roaching at them something. Hey, anyway. Next email, Raga, me live in our yard. Me rent out a room to a male tenant. We live in the yard. And I sort out 2 sisters. The good up sister come catch him. Well, Raga, me live in our yard. Me rent out a room to a male tenant. We live in the yard and I sort out 2 sisters. Okay, this tenant I sort out 2 sisters. The good up sister come catch him in the house with the next one. She did not knock down the door, but him never did a come on. So by the time she come give way, the other claps about them. The other sister were in the room, jump the fence, Raga. She has sort out her sister man for a buckle of armor all. Used to clean and shine tile. And she a big hairdresser. Well on. The armor all used for a car tire to her. John was the, hey, me I tell you so that thing away. Friend I take them friend man and sister relative I broke them relative foot and I take them man. You see all the Mary and Jerry Springer and thing up. Why I don't know what go on, you know. Something that sweep the place. Next email, Raga, my mother in New York. Say for big you up. And thanks to keep her company that she can stop ball for come home. The wicked people, them not only cut Jesus slippers, Raga. Them thief, one of the nail them. So them have to use one of the nail and nail both feet. Next email. This is a real mix-up. Mother and daughter come from foreign last week and curse over dumpling and banana. Mother and daughter come from foreign last week and curse over dumpling and banana. The girl married last year December, and from that she have a man with the husband. And the man home, the man home she stay until she for go away Tuesday. The flight left her. Raga, you know, so the husband she called for pay the money. The man where she did out. I understand. Where she did out with can't help her. Him an opportunist. Him use woman and then him left them. Oh, okay. So she there shack up with a man and thing and her husband and miss flight for her ticket and call her husband for pay. And so it always going on. The woman them have a good man and them diss up the good man and go and pick up some careless man and rinse them out and thing and then them start diss up the good man and all them thing. So them thing they always go. Anyway, landline Mixup or any other Sheldon Mixup owner, Micheline in the building, road to the queue to the producer. They are Jeremy and King and Richard Rain for technical operators. You're in Toronto Nationwide 90 FM and the show is Ragashanti Live with me, the King of Mixup, Ragashanti and sitting again. Call in and give me any mix-up involving a landlord or a landlady and thing and tenant and them something there. You see it? Or if you have any other mix-up, just slap away and turn up and shell off. You see it? You mean no shell off. Shell down or sell off. You see it? Everything is everything. Here we go now to the phone line. Good afternoon. Hello.
Raga.
Where you say?
Yeah, there.
How is it? Mama in the building. Where you say, Mama?
But them girls just live from Biggie, so.
Eh, you defend Biggie too.
Yeah, me I defend Biggie, because I like Biggie, I'm a rate Biggie.
Hey, no, I saw it.
Blackboard, you know, I rub off them girl have a blackboard, you know.
Okay, you see it. Well, you know, say Biggie take it to people too, you know, so,
Yeah,
I guess.
If you take it back to them when them take it to you. Yes, no, Raga, me have a mix up with you about a girl up the road.
Yes.
The same girl when me do, where my friend up the road where me cuss my man there for.
Yeah.
Yeah, me and her friend. Listen, you know, Raga, because I have done her today, you know, me and her friend. She get 2 tickets. She get 2 play tickets and call me and say, Mama, you get 2 play tickets, you want one. Me tell her, say, yeah. She said, me pay her 2 bills.
Where? What kind of ticket?
Player. With a guy
player.
Yeah, the pantry house.
The pantry house, yeah, all right.
Yeah. So she said 12 bills for the ticket. So pay her 2 bills.
Right.
Me get the money and me say to her, say, you know, say never use the money and turn it and something, so check me Monday. Monday when me get this thing, I'm going to steal this thing and I'm going to let it off. The people, they never have no money cash in the hand, so I just left it and tell them say Thursday. You know what, no, me are this today, Raga, with one piece of excitement, Raga.
No, hold on. You say you did have a money, but you have to turn it and do something. And then what you do after that? What you do?
I tell her that if you come Monday,
yeah.
She never come Monday, she come early Tuesday morning, Raga, when me no wake up out of my bed. So me outside I call me, so I tell my boyfriend, I tell her, I say, me come in late, so me no wake up yet, so she fi circle back. All right. Me no hear from her for that. Yesterday, me gone from the way, me come back, me see her stand up out of the gate. So I go put on my bag and come back. When I put on my bag and come back, I say to her like, I say, what go on, Tom? She not answer. I say, what go on? Me have my problem. So I say, you have a problem, I take a problem and throw it for me. She starts to contact her advice and I will tell me what. She tell me what, so I turn to her and say, I don't like them things there. I like when my thing work. I like when it, I like when my gravy leak out of my pot.
Oh, okay, me understand.
You know how much time they look all waste. I don't even know if it's to tell us about you. You know how much time the girl can wait me out of my bed when our 2 man them will lick out our gravy out our dirty pot, buck up our yard.
Eh. But hold on. What she did upset?
When our 2, she have 2 swiper man. She have one to drive a white Corolla, one to drive a Lexus.
No, but what may I say? No, nobody giving no more information about them. But what may I say? What she vexed with you for?
Raga, let me tell you what she vexed with me for. One time, I youth abroad, you see, on the 4th week of December. All when February, I pay me 1,000. Like, so I start and tell him, say, I'm going to drunk on you, I'm dead meat, and not pay feet. And I only walk in drunk on me in a Franklin town. I drunk on you, have wing and fly, but I only walk in drunk. So I start with that, and I make 2:30 past, and I don't get my money if I go scandal you for a Raga. Anyway, 2:30 past, and I get my money. I never know that she make over to me, of course, for the money. Hold
on. You tell him, say, and you let him in a December, February, you get your money. You tell him, say,
I lend him $1,000, Raga. The man say, I'm about $1,000, I tell him go back country. Because when I go back country, go look some thing with lock off with that Christmas.
Me understand.
Never go on over country for him, so I'm not too pressure. I'm not pressure no time at all December for my money. I'm not pressure January for my money, telling her February, February, I go to my to go on for me $1,000.
Yeah.
Him say me soon get it. Every time I say when him go uptown. After when him go uptown, me can't get me $1,000. So I start get bring and get vexed and start costing my money.
Yeah.
Then when go borrow the $1,000 and come pay. Me never know that she have up that.
Hold on. You didn't tell him, say, any I'm not pay the $1,000, you go call Raga and all the time.
Yeah, me tell him, say, if you not pay me $1,000, I go and scandal up on the radio. Him talk for you, make you think you can scandal me like how you do. Right? So me say, oh, you bad me up over my things. I'm going to show you who bother. So I make 2:30 past in Raga phone line. What man, me not get me $1,000, I go see something. Anyway, after 2, when 2:30 past in call me, come for me $1,000. And it's done right there, so. Never know me and the girl a friend of Raga. I take her from a good friend. She don't take me for her friend. Never know that she a free me over. She will tell me every time I come across over me $1,000. It's a nine to her. So me say every time you come and tell me, say, if you turn on your light, now you house, man a big your cigarette, but if you stop on the woman, you have to stall and buy a cigarette, because the man a big your cigarette. Me say that sound a nine to me. She go say me this time if you come do what it, not with she. Me say I don't want that. I want my body to work up. Me don't want my dirty part to lick out.
You don't want your dirty part lick out. Well on. You don't want your dirty part lick out. You want your body to hackle.
Yes, me don't want my dirty part to lick out. Because I want lick out, rather, it lick out any long like I weigh 2,000.
Okay. Then tell me something now. Where she and him link? She and him link a relative or them involved?
No, since she go up the road, go live, she know the man.
Then I wait, but I don't understand why she vexed about that.
She tell me something where man, and she come back and ask me neighbor in the yard. He said me neighbor tell him the reason why he don't sell me a star because me too bad mind. So me say bad mind over a star, me don't want a star, because me don't like stay one place. Me like to move around.
You see it.
So me come and I start because of that she vexed over. She vexed $2 million and me $2,000 last week. She had a figure so that she want to buy her shoes and she don't have no money to buy shoes. She called me and said, filling her $2 grand. I tell her, I don't have the money for me. One time, my boyfriend go back country and come back. I tell her the $2,000. And that she had carry a grievance. Rather, she done good. Everybody, she have a friend come her yard. And we are a Westmoreland and the girl come her yard. She have a murmur, say, the girl at 9. If you don't want somebody in your yard, you tell them they don't want them in your yard.
Well, that's true.
Everything she murmur. She give a girl one old freak. She have a murmur, say, and she give the girl if the girl don't come back her yard. She don't have no secret for me. No girl have no way of me live to keep secret for me. I walk with my notebook. In my purse. So no girl have no secret. But you know what time the girl come there and she has dropped down and dead. Because she have 2 swiper, man. One swiper, one wash out her plate in the night and one clean it up in the morning. You know what time she come down and drop down and bought her a pack down.
Okay. What, find, don't tell me nothing about the man then, but what you mean, find some good swipe?
Find some good swipe.
So wait.
She have to go night and morning. She doing 2 shifts. She do morning shift and night shift.
Oh, so when she get them high-powered swipe, they like for morning shift and night shift, they mash her up though, them weak in her body, don't?
Mash her up. Time and they have 2 healthy piece of button in them pants.
Okay, me see what I go on,
Fat bottom, it drop out her fat bottom.
Okay.
Hospital.
Yeah, because them say you wash buttons go white too much, it mash up the fat bottom.
Yes, it mash up, it left a hole in her fat bottom, recept the fat bottom thin, them girl the fat bottom thin.
Tambourine! What you say? You see some of them?
Thin, them girl the fat bottom come like milk thin.
Okay, so they can't take the pressure.
Can't take the pressure.
Okay,
aluminum pot.
Yes, man. I know all no boring night, because some gal are running pan the thing. I do a whole heap of cooking in them pot, and them pot bottom thin, though.
Pot and go like she decent, and she on her body.
And her pot bottom thin.
And her pot bottom thin, her pot bottom having abscess.
But her pot bottom having abscess?
Tender. The pot bottom tender. You know some tender pot bottom woman.
Me know, but mama, not the same girl.
The pot them start make nice. The pot come like pressure cooker whistle.
What? But mama, what me I say? No, you did call and did call the radio and defend.
The girl don't take me for her friend Raga. She's a little evil bad man girl. What you went time me pop down and never go on for me. She never help me up. But for 2 for 1 year, she see little things that go on for me like she get bad mind.
Oh, okay. Because you did call in and you defend her. You did defend her and you did willing for warfare to and all them something there.
Yeah, so if she said we give her 2 bills and the money not come in, she not just easy because me and her are friend. She have come and and I'll cut like me hungry and borrow this girl money to take to cook chicken back. Me no walk and borrow for me, I rather do without and hold my own.
Yes it. So basically you say you did go PR the money, but you think say you did go around the thing and I want PR.
I must that she feels about. She don't know me thing when me do already, and sometimes if I have a good customer and you go deal with them, and them not have the money, you can let you think you're sure of your money.
All right, now give no more details, man.
Yesterday morning, because whole night, the swiper man did a Sunday night. Yesterday was Wednesday, Tuesday night, left late yesterday morning, not like the man left nothing here.
Okay. Oh, okay. Like him deal.
Money, them girls take promise from man. Me no work with promise. Me no do free labor.
Okay. What you
free
say?
labor. I come into service work them the girls do. Me no do free labor. Me like to work with my money.
Okay, me see what you say. But Mama, so, tell me the truth now. You did tell her say you go give her back on an exact day.
Alright, Raga, she said the last of February. In the last of February, me get the thing. Me said to her, I said, me have to deal with that thing, you know, so me have to turn over the money. And when me turn over the money and do my business, me give her a thing. But just today, man, I don't know where fly up in her life. She never have no money to buy no cigarette. She come and me here and take it out for me.
No, but when me want to know, Mama, suppose you tell her say you go give her. Say you tell her say you go give her Monday.
Raga, me have it right
and
now to give her and so she bright
no.
and she not getting
Hold on, Mama. Suppose you tell her say you go give her Monday, right? Or the rest of it Monday or whatever. And then Monday come and she not get it and she not hear nothing from you. You know, if you say she have a right for upset.
Raga, she not feel upset. Me and her friend and me done show her the ropes already. Me done tell her say the people them say come back Thursday.
Oh.
Me and her friend, so if me even tell her say Thursday, she not fit to bomb rush me.
Okay, yes, I saw you and her move. No pressure one another them way there.
You know much early man she called me out of my bed. Raga to bring cigarettes up her yard come here. I have me a referee when her two man them buck up her yard.
See, okay. Me see what you say. Yeah, basically I say.
If she did take me as alright. Me sure you say she don't good in Raga. You know, say Sunday me go for her and me say to her, say, you know, so me I cook some pork and she said she wants some. She have a friend who come from Westmoreland, you know, so me say, when time I cook it, give me a dish and put it. She wake me up, so she don't want the girls to get the night food and say, me come down here for the dinner in the night. In the night now she come. When she comes, she and the girl come. The girl come from Westmoreland Raga and she don't know the girl don't know which part me live. So she if you stay and wait for the girl, she run biscuits Raga come eat off the food and when she see the girl come here, can the plate and don't make the girl and tell the girl say the food burn up.
What you say if you do what?
Carry the plate, go hide and tell the girl say the food burn up.
Oh, for real.
Look,
I was
she's not a good girl. She don't good. She don't go get into you when she want. She come like dog with carrying bone and carry it out.
Oh.
She don't go get into you if you want to know your business. She go sit down but take it make congregation for corners which part she sit down at night time. But no girl can't fit make no congregation over me. Because I tell girl my business, nobody can know nothing about me unless me. Anything when nobody know about me, I want them know. Just like when they come on the radio, come say, Mama man beat her. That's all them know. Them not have no more tape to me.
Oh, see,
them can't bust. Me know the Martin Luther King tape, so them not have no secret for me.
What you saying at the power?
Martin Luther King tape, so them not have no secret for me.
Okay, so wait, you got PR today then?
Raga, me say me have it, and me not PR yet. She not have no manners. And she can't take it from me. She not.
Voila, Mama.
Yeah.
Go PR, man. Go PR.
She not get it, Raga. She not have no manners. But she tell me, Raga, she's no good friend of it. Tell them friend that you can't tell me about me to go and do where you swipe or do to you and me your friend. And this me right there, so.
Well, she shouldn't tell you that. But the fact is.
She shouldn't tell me that get me upset. She bright. So I'm going to show her she don't bother than me. She not get it and tell my heart cool down, so she lucky.
No, all right, Mama, me I ask you for just give her money because she give her money. Eh?
She not getting it until when my mind cool down. I'm going to show her say she not have nothing, she an idiot. That me I tell you. She not getting it yet. She not getting it yet.
All right, give her as early as you can give her, do you hear?
Anytime she not get it until Saturday, so she lucky.
Saturday day when your heart go cool down.
I mean, because people fear, Raga, I come tell me where your lifestyle, where you live, and she not live right, Raga. I come down fear, them girls don't live right. Them girls junk of a walk for them already and them not dead yet.
But Mama, there's suppose people that listen and say, oh, I went.
Anybody we are listening and ask.
Mama, hold it. Hold it now. Suppose people are listening and say, oh, so when you and I was friends, you never did say she not live right. I know because you and I kick off, she not live right. Why you don't say
that? Anything when I talk on the radio, I tell her that she never live right. I don't say me not tell her. Me and her friend, I tell her, but she not obey by what me I say. Me sit down and tell her nothing. Me a chat her behind her back. She bright. So she come here to make up excitement for me. Like she love excitement, so she get excitement. Me and you are friend. You cover down my secret and me cover your one. But you come and me and I come on top of your vice. And nobody never know when she da call me for your ticket. So no, you come call. I come cost over ticket. Come on. She take my name and take it bypass when I'm man name book up her yard.
Sorry about that, right? There's a sorry about that. All right, Mama. Look at this connection. Mama.
Yes,
Mama.
Raga. Yes, Raga.
All right, then. Listen, all right. What may I say? The point what you did I make is that even when you and her was good friend, even them time that you did I tell her, say she now move right with something. So you did up front with her right throughout the friendship, right?
Yes, Raga.
Oh.
I tell her, when she meet the man, she tell me, say, the man, so when he give woman money, in him, in a work, no, for you meet that the man, you can't get a big work of money. Sweetheart, now, not say nothing again.
Well, when you say she meet the man, what?
Not even Kingston soap.
Well, Mama, not even what kind of soap?
Kingston soap.
What you mean? She not get nothing at all?
Nothing at all. She not get a what you have to tell the man about her gas, and the man come start fear and give her 4,000. One man give her something, and I first man where she have, and when the man give her 15 bills, the man have to work it back out of it. And if she ever talk about her things good, if things good, man pay up for good things. Man up
okay,
for
so
things that go up on sale. I clothes out there to go up on sale.
Okay, so what you say look like her something not good?
It's not good. So if it is good, she don't like it upload. She would like her
okay.
report her part.
Okay. No, but suppose you have some woman who have some good thing, but then like them.
She don't good. She don't live right. Cause she have her son, it's Raga. Let me give a jam. She have her son, and her son have a girl. And she comes turn up a road and make her girl, her son, woman, gonna start out with a different man. So what kind of life them a live?
She make her son, woman, go start out with the next man.
Start out with a different man. And her son,
and
she not girl and no boy can clown out my fitness.
Okay, and she set it up and she make it go on?
Yeah, and her son, woman. You think a girl and a boy can clown out my princess and my
what you mean? Well, and she do this behind her son back so the son don't know so she do this?
Yeah, her son don't know so she do that. She was say, she like how she have good mind to tell her she can't keep it. I couldn't keep that.
Okay.
But she not live right. She a come walk
all
on
right.
road and come cut and come talk like me borrow money cash from her. I don't borrow no money cash from her. So she a come cut, but who want my money? I no cash me take her. I don't take her money buy no food.
Okay, see? All right, them all read the news now. Here, Mama, just go and hold it and thing and pay her back as soon as you can, here?
When what's your name there, Clash?
Who?
Seki back on me.
When you and Seki a clash?
Yeah.
No, man, we're going to set up that, man. We're going to set up that, man. Because Seki says she's ready for you, know. So we're going to set up that,
long time.
You're ready for Seki long time?
Long time.
And people for know say, we're not going to bring it real and
know say a dub for dub, we are doing it. A dub for dub.
Dub for dub. Oh,
me like Gaza, but me know me a Gaza, probably she can take goalie.
Brap. So what you say, you're ready for the clash with Seki and you're going to be Gaza.
Long time, and I wait.
And Seki can be goalie. All right, we're going to set the date and we're going to make it up. We're going to make it up. All right, Mama. All right, you are Gaza and Seki are goalie. We make it up. All right.
Raga, me have a good friend come from foreign out at Center, she named Joy. She book a foreign already, Raga.
All right.
She welcome with me nice little suitcase with me two little fondant danglies in it.
All right, big up Joy over St. Thomas to the world, Mama. No say a word. Bless up here.
Big up my friend Joy, and big up Mama Flex too.
Long time. Bless up here.
Yes, Raga, I love you.
Love you too, Mama. Love you too. All right, people, we're going to break right now. Them are going to rinse the news and take us soon forward.
A Mixup and Blenda time.
I'm wanting to call and talk up the team them.
Mixup and Blenda family. You don't know we love no call them, no. But nobody get we in no trouble. No bad word. No mention nobody name or where them come from. No say nothing we can identify them. Remember, we love the program, you know, and we want to keep it on the radio. So please, me, I beg you to keep it clean. Hey, I laugh, learn, and grow, we say, no. Hey, Raga, run the team.
Hey, man, welcome back up in I think I we say Mixup Entertainment with me, the king of Mixup, Ragashanti. Landlord Mixup or any other shell down Mixup. And do remember, when you're deep up under somebody with the Mixup, them don't call them name. And don't use no information where we are going to know exactly who you attack. And don't make nobody attack around when you call in or make we hear any radio, any TV, or play around. You see it. Okay, to the phone line. We had Cartel there. I lecture at the University of the West Indies later. Vibes Cartel, Michael Jackson Cartel, lecturing at the University of the West Indies later. And you see it, Lime, I bring the lecture live on Lime TV on the phones in Jamaica. Again, Lime, I bring the lecture live on Lime TV on your Lime TV phones right there in Jamaica. So, all on the can tune in on that. And here we added the teacher, officer, the Gaza Emperor. You see it? Okay, here we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello?
Yes, greetings.
Yeah, Raga, what?
Today I will let you know what I got.
Tell you about the little dirty landlord that lives on my road. Raga, he went to the whole of the room, them down in yard, and he sleep in the bathroom. The bathroom out the door, and then sleep with one only for dog.
Well on. Why you say him rent all of the room, them and him sleeping at the bathroom?
Him sleeping at the bathroom at night time.
So him not have a room for himself?
No, him rent them out and collect money because the money for buy a room.
And him sleeping at the bathroom with the dog them?
Yeah, you see as him come in at night time, I be a dog, all 3-4 that I follow back time, I come up the road. And him sleeping our old car down the road sometime. One night, one morning, I come out of the car now. One big rat come out behind, and you see the rat, big like a post.
Me know them rat them, man. Me know them, yeah.
You know them rat there?
No, because, well on. When me used to sleep down a wharf, when me used to run around the pan road a bad and I sleep down a wharf with West Park Port Royal Ferry used to park. You have some rat down them, and them bigger than cat, me I tell you, bigger than cat. And there's someone know why they call them wharf rat.
Yeah.
Yeah, so him have a rat to follow back him and then what me I know?
You see, I know when time in the car I sleep. Which part with a rat there? Which part you see?
Which part the rat there? Yeah.
Which part the rat there when time in India sleep? One if upon him head the rat there.
Well, we don't know. But the rat certainly don't find where rat usually.
Yeah, the next year you send him in there sleep, now bathroom I sleep sometime.
Yeah.
My friend I tell me say they want to hear him, I say, no, don't touch me. Don't do it again. And then they be like up in there trouble him in the bathroom, you know.
When I say don't touch me and don't what?
Don't touch me. Don't do it again. Who you? Who send you?
No, man, I rum a chat tonight, man. They don't know when them son. Yeah, man, I saw rum and then go on, man. Then all kind of things reach them when they are sleeping and then chat.
When him ready, him go to the boy when he at the front of the yard and I tell the boy for him. What the hear him tell the boy for him to come out. He tell the boy to come out in the morning and in the evening he go to him and I say, want him rain. You know, in the morning him say, the boy give me the rain. Find somebody and come out. I want a room there for sleeping. I know. Then in the evening him go back and say, he want to buy a room. So the boy not for bother come out. The boy for just in the rain.
I would cheer you.
A wild time.
All right, him better careful enough because you see the way you get to a run right now. You see if certain man knows them man rules, so then we're gonna take one yard from him. Right, when I really bring down a crisis upon him, but you know what I refer to, don't you?
Yeah, man, I understand.
You know what I refer to, and then you some look man, I saw them around the thing right now, and then them gonna know him load up the things and whatever. The man say, yo, you don't need this.
I know them not going to take it. Because I'm drunk already. The only time I'm sober, I will come for the rain. So I'm a friend them
better put some things in place to protect him because if I saw him there, after the time and him a roll, so him go attract a certain kind of element where I go deal with him away. You see it. But anyway, respect for the mix up here.
All right, later.
Bless up. Yeah, here we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello?
Yes, greetings.
Yeah, you Raga?
Yeah, man, I hear you good, man. Talk.
Me say Raga one night for what day me fi call you, me not get him. I know what problem. For the time when the girl call and I argue with Mama. And Mama call back and done her and shell her down wicked. Me say for the whole day everybody that dark on the avenue and I laugh about it.
Why, the mala?
Oh, she a talk and a shell and I say she a cause Mama call her and done her. Oh, Mama and wicked.
Okay, so the whole avenue I talk about how Mama deal with her wicked. You know who, right? You know who?
The whole avenue I talk about it, Raga.
No, me not lie. Mama did shell her that day there. Everybody say it was just so obvious.
Mama pull her down and fix her up these things back.
These beat out and juke and beer things, don't.
She is a scared Mama. Mr. Raga, you know it's part of that. Me laugh when Mama says she ball out and when she I get she ball out and come cook, you
know. Mama said that's not a secret because she don't tell people say them man that she love who can beat her.
Mr.
Right?
Raga,
Mama don't say that already.
One boy who used to beat me too.
Yeah.
And as me and in summer, you know, I find some people ignorant.
Yeah.
And me I tell you, Raga, certain time he can't come out to the road and give me lick for.
What you say? You used to tell it was Stammer man will beat you, and then anytime. And you say, yeah.
When he talk about the road, they give me lick for.
Okay, so how that really good? Like him that say, hey girl, I want you. And it's a box that you get.
Like him I say, you know, say, this thing wants to make this, you know. You know, say, thing can't come out to the black, back and pump in her face.
Well, people don't get it twisted. We take bad things, make laugh, for that show you. So what you must say, like, if you want this, you say, hey girl, you know, say, you did.
And it can't come out.
Boom. Then we...
Me say, hope you're telling Mama so she ball out the people can help her. Me say, make it lick them, come like, me can't ball out.
Oh, okay.
Me say, come like, me can't ball out. When I tell me to go to drop down the people and think I'm dead, me dead.
Then tell me something now. Why you always there with man who beat you? Why somehow you always there with man?
I don't like soft man neither, you know.
You don't like soft man?
No, sir.
What that mean? What that mean? Me just ask you why you...
Me don't like, me tell you what I mean?
Yeah.
My man, me no fear rough up my man and him a take it soft and gentle and easy. Me no fear rough up my man. He come like a little girl, right there, so.
Oh. So if you there with a man, at some point you go test him and try rough him up and physical him up and if you can't get to with... Well, if you can't get to with box and thump him and thing, you go do it. But a man not supposed to make you do that. That you say, right?
Yeah. I'm a man. I'm a rule the house. My man no fear run my house. I'm fear rule.
Okay. So when you there with a man, right? At some point you go want to find out what type of man him is, don't it?
Yeah.
And how you go about finding out what type of man him is? You step to him, you move to him?
If me move to me give that argument word out of my mouth, so me know say if he rough or in soft, because man no love at all.
Okay, also you give him some argument, you diss him up and see, and say, how him a go react? How him a go react, no? Yeah. And the man them what you like now, are the one them, if you give them at argument and you diss them up, them for come back and put on two, and tat you up a little bit and put on two.
Yeah. Mr. Raga, the boy I give me black hair already, you know.
Him give you what?
Fat up me hair, I tell us the boy man thump her in her, boy fat up me hair.
So when him fat up your eye, like, you didn't think, say, after him fat up your eye, you not going to left him after him fat up your eye? After him fat up your eye, after him punching in your eye and give black eye and fat up your eye, bad with a big lick in your eye. When that did happen, you didn't think, say, you not going to left him after that?
No, me talk to me, I left me, I'll go to my cousin, go sleep and him come over there and say, my girl, you come find her.
Okay, so when you there with a man, right? At some point, you got test him and try rough him up and physical him up and And tell me the truth, you like that, don't? Because sometimes you talk back to your friend and you also like, him love me because all of me tell him, say, don't I'm gone over my cousin, him a come back for me. Them thing there about me?
Enough time.
Enough time. Mm-hmm. So you like when a man come back for you after you don't beat you and you say you left and done. Is a good sign that when a man come back for you and think like what that mean?
Me have the upper hand, me have the upper hand now because me can angle him up and go out the most thing. Because when they and them vex, at that time they take out them heart and soul and give all the amount of money we never used to get them a find it and I get through them when you come back. And so me use them and me not go back same time.
And you not go back same time. But you eventually go back though. You eventually go back though.
But me have to make him beg and preach.
Okay, so when you say you don't like soft man, then you mean say you like the man them who can tat you up more time, give you 2 bucks and thing and
yeah, I want me someone like soft man. I like my man and him smoke up him weed and drink up him Guinness and beer things.
Oh, you like them man there?
Yeah.
Burn him spliff, burn a big head spliff and drink 2 Guinness and thing. What about the sort out?
Yeah, Raga, you know, it's sort out mad Raga.
what about the sort out? What about the sort out?
The sort out mad.
The sort out of a shot to you, a man who can deal with it wicked, don't?
Jesus Christ, so someone want a man who can deal with it wicked. Of course, not deal with it wicked.
But let me tell you something. What kind of sort out you like? You like the soft, gentle one, or you like the man that rough you up and a club your body and just give it to you? So which one you like?
No, Raga, I don't like the soft, gentle sort out. When you come from my mama, papa style you come with. I like the rough up thing at 16 and in my back on me with me, I don't feel it again.
Oh, when you say what? Say that again, what?
Me say, me like the rough up one that's if I'm pinning down my back. When me go down, me not feel the pain again.
Okay, so you must act like Ackley and just fling your son.
Ram your son. No pain, it really even I feel pain, me not feel no pain again.
Okay, and them type of rough sort out that you love, don't?
Alright.
Okay, you love when they grab your ear and then something?
Love you from behind too.
Oh, you love when they hold your ear from behind, huh? Okay.
Me love wear braid again, you know.
Yeah, what?
Me love wear braid again.
Oh, you love wear braid, so why you love when him draw out all the braid out of your head and then something, you know?
No, I'm not drag it, you just rough him hand in it easy and it's cool, you know?
Okay, so you like that rough thing there?
Yeah,
Okay, me see what you ask. So why you not say to the woman them who are listen to you now and I say, why a foolish she a chatter who make man a beat woman and things say them for beat woman for show them love and all them things there. Why you not say to the woman them who are cuss you and a done you and I say, I hear that thing there chat boy you like when a man chat you up and all them. So why you not say to them?
Them life now look a spice tonight. I feel have a look a spice.
Well on. Spice in your life is when a man a back to you up couple time and when you diss him up and him come back and back to you up more time, I probably put 2 kick by you and then hold you take all the salt out and rough you.
He no kick me.
Him no kick you, but him a back to you and tat you up though, don't?
He will box me, yeah, he no kick me.
So you said that a spice? When you get 2 backs in your face, a spice that?
Just a little spice up, yeah, when you're no vex with him and gone, no, he must from vex back and you know want but no friend.
Okay. And don't a whole heap of woman in a ghetto stay, so no?
Only for them, nobody my boy when me no stand up. I don't know when them get their lip, they not talk. Me I like another me just touch that point there. You know one little one round the road. See man beat him, thump him in the ear. You know when talk say a car in the accident in meeting. Like when you see the ear black and blue, they told me I said no sir. Me and my friend them I said no sir.
Well on. When you say accident in mean, you mean she says she here.
Yeah,
so what she say? She
say accident she meeting. She and the manager and the man the car lick up and her eye lick up in her. I tell our people, everybody, to she not want them know say man thump her in her ear. So we see the eye Raga will laugh. We laugh after her because if we know what you're thumping her ear, that's how we get that regular from man and we know when you get thumping her ear.
Lord have mercy. Well on there. So when she come tell, when you see fear eye fat up and black up and bruise up and bust up, and she come and tell about car accident, you will say you know she a lie she tell because uno get the same thump in her eye and uno know how the eye look when phone the eye swell up, don't?
Exactly.
Okay.
So I love when she about an accident and it meet the Raga because the eye swell up and black and blue.
know, for thumping a year, that's for thumping a year, so we a girl get thumping a year all the while, and we know when girl get thumping a year, big thumping a year, that's why she can't talk about accident.
Okay.
I tell lie about the accident.
So you not feel weird in any way. I say comfortably. I say you a girl get thumping a eye often. It sound like you just accept it as a lifestyle.
No, you listen, get it thumping a eye after rock. But me we get it 1 and 2 times. I mean, no, when a girl get thumping a eye, say if you get come to me and have thumping a eye, I say no, I don't thump me get in my eye now. When I thumping I laugh after you. Cause me know it feel, me know it look.
Okay. So you can't see yourself out there with a man who no put him hand on your top?
I don't talk back to him now. Me ain't talk now. Me ain't talk.
No, what me I say is, you can't see yourself out there with a man who at no point him put him hand on you. No care what you said to him. And when you tell him some nasty thing and tell him when you go put him mouth and all him something there, him still don't even look for him, ignore you and think. If you attack to a man, and you tell him some nasty sitting like whisper at him for go use try. You know then get a woman that can't keep it real. And when for go do at what time I'm on time. And him don't put him hand on you. What you that think about that if you deal with a man so and him not put him hand on you?
Why not? Me not tell him me more no nice thing that he put him hand on because me don't tell him some signal if he no want lick me that he go lick that the day.
No. I'm here ask you. If you attack to a good man,
me know what you have to say now.
Hold on, and you tell him the worst of the worst, and him still not put him hand on him, ignore you and say him not move. So what would you think about that man?
Me that come to my friend and say, you know, say, he not telling him something, and he not put his hand on me, and I say, no, say a good man, and I say, yeah, man, a good man, but him too soft still.
And you that end up and left him?
No, man, me not left him. I'm not the Raga, I'm going to left good people, eh?
Oh, but you that, but if you think him too soft, anytime woman think man too soft, them end up at this the man, you that end up at this him down.
No, me know this which me know so I see and him not use for them something. Me would know if I tell him say and more not practice to tell him them something. Me tell him 1 and 2 times, me see no answer. Me not practice to say for tell him because me also say him not really brought up that way that I understand. He put me out for nobody. So me would not practice himself say I tell him so you understand.
Nice. Me love how you reason out the thing right now because you hear what you just say. You say at some point you that tell him the things them and whatever, and then when you say nah reach him, you that go tell your friend them and thing and then say him too soft. But if he's a good man, what I'm hearing from you is that you, at some point you will realize that he wasn't raised that way, him don't see relationship that way, and you will work with him and you will not consider himself. You would consider him as a good man same way, and eventually you will stop disrespect him, so don't it?
Yeah, can no, you're not used to it.
Nice. Why? Me have to go to a hell of a journey with you, but me glad for what the two we reach a while ago. Yeah? Me glad for what the two we reach.
I want to give you, me want to push that point before me come out.
All right, touch it. But before you touch a point, I'm glad me reach a point because you a girl, you get your tat up on your backs up from man. But what me hear from is that you have it in you. For there with a good man who would never ever beat you or put him on fire. I'm proud of you about that. I congratulate you about that.
I can't live my life with man who beat me if you're mad.
Thank you. But so give me mix up, you know.
Anyway, in our time when
what you say, Michelle sound like she like woman. Yeah, that woman that would like she want.
You don't know so she take down sick one yeah. The mama take down sick raga. We're going like at young girl.
Carlene and I diss up Emily, I diss up Michelle, and you say she love this up people, and look, there's nothing I go and feel her life popped down, her life so sad.
What me say? For the whole day, everybody a talk about it. You may tell us when mama did done the girl, the people them there about talk about it and big up mama, re. For the whole day, them a talk about she.
You see?
They must find the sheet off of the bed and make an instant dress. We should go to hospital in night.
Nothing I go and fear at all.
Nothing I go and fear.
I'm full of so much chatting.
You see, if something I go on for me, I talk to something I go on for me. I go talk to that go on and nothing I go on. I will go tell my friend, say, you know, if I forget $10,000, I'm going to look at $10,000 not reach me. I'm going to tell life for money for.
You see, it goes so. Our blessings, man. But anyway, respect for your reasoning today, yeah?
Yeah, man, big up yourself.
All right.
And then I stop you, because you will say every day, we love your bad.
We give thanks, man. Protection. I'm a want you to love yourself, yeah?
Yeah, man, I love myself, man.
All right, then blessings and respect.
Yeah, bye-bye.
Emily.
Boom.
What a piece of reasoning a while ago.
Can I tell you?
Boy, I'm a journey with her, boy. At least we reach one point where...
Come on and journey, my Jesus.
No, man, I travel a while ago. We travel a while ago, man. I'm me for tell you, man. Travel a while ago, man. But,
over hills and valleys too.
Hold on. You know, say the other thing where some people were really quick to dismiss what she has say and thing and whatever. And one of the things, we not condone it because I hope it should be obvious by now. So me not support the man a beat to man thing. But one of the things where people don't know is that some scholars said you have to think in terms of systems and context and what I say is, and again, you know, I not support anything, you know, I just tell you the argument. The argument is when a woman want to deal with that type of man, they're really engaging in a cost-benefit analysis. And the calculation is, and again, you know, I say me agree with it, but I tell you where, but I give you a kind of anecdotal understanding. The calculation is the type of man who will beat a woman will also protect and provide for that woman in that environment.
Yeah, that's true.
You understand? I not agree with it, you know, but I tell you what the argument is. So women are attracted to them. You know, the what they call them, the evolutionary psychologists and them thing, they make these arguments about somebody with some battered woman in some ghetto area. And again, in other words, you see the type of man who beat a woman, nobody else can fast with for them woman.
Yeah,
no other man
same
can
like
rape
how
for
him
them
beat
woman.
her, him will beat somebody for her.
Him will beat somebody for her. And I must say, in a context where protection and security is paramount for a woman, she going there with that type of violent man because it's that type of alpha male will defend her.
Yeah, that's her view of a real man.
And at that type of alpha male, when politicians come with the money, at the bad man, you know, with all due respect, at the man who run the place and go talk to. You ever see politicians that give money to some little man who just they simple go church every day? No.
I cannot recall.
They usually deal with the man who run off the ends. So him get access to resources and things. But as I said, there are some complexities involved. I'm not condoning it. Because as you see me did a journey with her to reach a point where they say bam, 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 the thing not too set right the way. Yeah, explain it and thing. But that's how it takes. Well, I will break. We soon forward.
Mixup and Blenda family. You don't know we love no call them, you know. But no bother get we in no trouble. No bad word. No mention nobody name or where them come from. No say nothing we can identify them. Remember, we love the program, you know, and we want to keep it on the radio. So please, me I beg you to keep it clean. Hey, I laugh, learn and grow, we say, you know. Hey, Raga, run the thing.
I'm wanting to call and talk up the thing, them.
Yeah, man, welcome back up in our Mixup and Blend that thing with me, the king of Mixup, Ragashanti. Blessings and respect indeed. All right, you know, landlord Mixup or landlady Mixup. Landlord Mixup or landlady Mixup. Or if you don't have any other shell down slap or Mixup, you know, just forward with it, make a deal with it. You see it? To the phone lines we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello, Raga. Good afternoon.
Greetings.
Yeah. All right. I have one landlord Mixup. In a 2000, I delivered this one upstairs and downstairs. So anyway, like the man rent my place for like $8,000 a month. So you know the rent due like the 25th of the month. Raga, when the 18th of the month the man come for the rent, I go tell me say it's too early. Me say Mr. B, too early what the rent not due yet. But anyway, when him come, I always have
Hold on. Oh, him for come for the rent for the 18th, when it to the 25th. Hold on, and him a say it too early. Are you say too early?
No, me say to him say, no, him say to me say it's too early so me can't find the rent her. Me say, Mr. B, it's the 25th, my moving, so the 25th you for come for the rent. Ever.
Okay.
the 18 him come for half of the rent. I always have ask and give when him come, and then when the 25th him come. When him come now and him one day him come and say, I can't get some water for drink. Me say yes. When him come in here, the place clean, so till car. When me get the place dirty like me don't know what to say. All one I did in the house, me have to cut it down. When I cut it down up here, black water run out tight.
Listen to me. You see when you rent somewhere,
yeah.
You see anytime the landlord or the landlady are going with some generalship for you invite them in your house, in your place, do not invite them when they are fast, then come for fast.
Yeah, but cause when him come in, all the floor cleaning. Cause you know it have the pipe, inside pipe. So when I tell him to fix the pipe, he no want to fix it. When him come in, cause all the sink they pop down in a leak and everything. We have to set bucket to catch water. So I don't need the sink for throw it out a door. When him come in, the place clean, the place clean. Me say, yeah, I'm in a light dirty place, cause clean place me say. Cause it's true me love clean, and me love put myself together anywhere me live after clean.
All right, but I really the mix-up part we're interested about blessings and respect here.
But rather, wait, no, I want to say something pertaining to that lady that still, when she says she like man will beat her and things, that's a nice though, cause if you love somebody, you're not going to beat them. When you love somebody, you're not hurt it.
All right, let's say a word here.
But that's a shout out, my love, I know I'm listening, I love him like that.
Blessings and respect. All right, then. Cool. Yep. Here she said, if you love something, if you really, really love something or someone, you won't hurt that thing, you won't destroy that thing, you won't damage that thing, for real. Here we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello, good afternoon.
Yeah, man. Bless you.
Hi, Ragashanti.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm calling to tell you about the girl who talk about man beating up and stuff like that.
Yeah.
I don't think it's right. No woman should allow a man to be there much more thumping in your eye so soft. That we blind when the man gone let you, what will happen to you?
So why you think you have these women who say them not like soft man, them love some man who will tap them up when them tell them some hot word and all them something them want them
no man is supposed to beat no woman. Whether I tell him hot word or not, if he then decide to leave the woman through disrespect, but enough to thump her in her eye, your eye is soft. And when you go to bed, I go to him. I go let you can't go sit to wash, cook, do nothing, take care of your picnic them.
Okay. So when you say enough for thump her, hold on, when you say no thump her in her eye, you mean enough for thump her in her eye and enough for thump her at all?
No thump her at all, especially the eye. You know
especially
the eye bit?
Yeah.
Ain't that she getting thumped in her eye and then stuff there. If a man like you disrespect, he better leave.
All right, that's what the thing says.
Yeah, if you don't like to disrespect, you better leave. Because your eye, when you get blind, you can't go see if you do nothing at all. No, you're not going to see. Whereas if you have a strong family support to take care of you.
You see. So the eye is a serious thing especially, but no tongue at all.
Yes. That's one day, and I saw one girl come, and her eye was so swollen. Because the man beat her in there, she had to draw down her cap, and her friend had to walk with her and help her. No man never did it with her. No man now come a doctor with her and help her. So that's not right.
You see it. All right,
but
then blessings here.
And I can shout out to my friend, Michelle.
No, darling. No. That's why we don't even want one. No shout out here. No, don't vex. You see, people, you see what I'm telling you? You see, as soon as one going, everybody else want to do the shout out. We don't want any shout out. Nobody no call in for make any show. Mix up with one. No shout out. If you call in a shout out, somebody you're not going to get me cross, angry, miserable. I could have got draft your hammer. And it's not pretty. Okay. A lyrical hammer, of course. Here we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Good afternoon.
Yes, greetings.
Greetings, Raga.
Uh-huh.
When I said, I'm not mix up. But this girl that talk about her man,
yeah,
she's just real. You know,
she's just real.
A real person. She might get the lick and the whatever, but we just accept that she's real, and when she got in it for, it happened, and she get herself out there, very respect about her.
No. What you're saying, when you say real, you're saying she's just being honest and truthful, right?
Yeah, she's be herself. She not go on the bush and say, my man nice to me after I beat her.
All right, then. But it's not that you're saying you agree with it.
No, I'm not agreeing with it. I'm just saying that she not going out. She don't look a man for a beater. But she go in and she start get beaten, and she realized she like it to a distance, and she explain, and she said she would take up an next man where we take care of her, love her, whatever, and she will work with that person.
Right, but it took a while to get this. But what she's saying though is this, it's not something where only she believing. I get them a barn and grandma. No, me sit down. Well, me hear woman brag. Me hear woman brag all the while. But how the man beat them or how the man beat them and them fight back and how them like that and whatever. Me not ask you something me hear get a woman talk all the while and thing. Now,
I don't them the raga. Our woman to like and love man when them beat them.
No, what I know. When I was in school, my advisor said to me, Dr. Winston Penn Hardworker, my Ph.D, my doctoral advisor, him said, it is okay to disagree with something.
Okay.
But as a social scientist, he was telling me, you must be able to explain it and not just provide the knee-jerk topical explanation what the average person provides. So when I say sometimes we not condone it, but in order to eliminate a problem or to effectively address a problem, you have to first understand the problem. I have to first understand why the problem exists. And I put it to you that most of them scholars and people out there, them don't understand what is really going on in the ghetto woman mind, why she like that.
Okay.
And it kind of tying to where you are saying, because you not agree with it, but in a year where you say, no, she just keep it real, she just be honest. And that is the first stage to deal with them something,
Yeah.
Because what you hear them say all the while, people don't do things to people, is people allow people to do things to them.
Yeah.
Clearly, no for them woman that can deal with a man who will never beat them, But them always pick the man, them who will beat them, and then when they beat the heart, when they beat the heart, now at them same one I say, why me not look with man, at them man always, why the man always find me? And that them say, no, the man them always find them. As if them not choose at some point, so them are go there with a man that who look them, right? And them take with the responsibility from themselves. But before you can reach a point where you really can solve the thing, you have to have the honesty there where she come out with.
Yeah, that's what I respect her.
Exactly, because enough women are honest with it.
They're not honest with it. As she said,
you see, that's true.
In a car crash and she look up her eye. They're not honest with it.
Yeah, she said she knows so.
Keep it real,
All right, yeah, man. Blessings and respect. Here, cool.
All right, cool.
Yeah. All right, landlord mix up or landlady mix up, any mix up on any other mix up on shell it down. Here we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, what's up?
Good afternoon, Raga.
Yes.
Talking about the lady that called in about this like man beat up and stuff.
Yeah.
It's basically, for me, it's authority.
Authority?
I like a man in authority, but I'm not going to go through the whole heap to say, I'm going to test him for more. I'm not going to do that. I can hear him tone and know say he's that type. And the ear tugging on them something there, I love them something there. But I'm not going to really take the abuse, but I like when he got in authority, that means him talk to me. I can't say yeah.
So you like a man who is self-assured, who is in control, who is strong, and who displays authority, say him run things. You like that?
Yeah. You know, like him for beat me. You have to do that. He can talk and then things they will know, say if it's dropping in your shell, I know say the money.
Okay, that man is serious. That man is a man for your ramp with it. He said just the way him talk and carry himself without beating.
Yeah. I don't want the man never go test him for say, I go box the boy in his face and say if where am I going to do, I don't depend on part there. I can feel it in my presence.
Yeah. Just the way him talk.
Voice.
Yes.
Yeah.
But what you say about you say you like the drawing of your ear do what?
Yes, it's sensuous to me. It turns me on sexually.
When what?
When you draw my ear.
What you refer to in general or just when you start out?
No, when me a sort out.
Oh, when you sort out. So when you sort out, you like when a man grab your ear, don't?
Yes, I like when him draw it but not draw it in the way to hurt me, you know. But
right, because some years say some I have read say some of the young boy and I know if you draw that, they want broken the neck and them something, you know.
Yeah, you did, but still enough for me, I have never really experienced it a lot. It's only a few men of that within them.
Okay.
Some men don't know nothing about that in a woman and know that we desire that. They don't know that.
Well, it's not all women like it, doing it, but you're saying you are one of the few who like it, right?
Yes,
you like when time a man put on a good work for you and him just hold your ear more time and there's a special way for hold your ear to make it feel good, don't?
Yes.
But in can't broke your neck?
No, sir.
Okay. Cause like some woman like spanking and thing, but yeah, some look a young boy, then I know when them just start lick out to
man, I love that too.
And then I know it's a certain point that when the thing me ear, I have read that when the thing I get heated, you put on a couple of spanking and thing, but so you like the spanking too?
Yes, man.
Okay,
yes, man, that drives me crazy.
Oh Lord, you know, when you get a couple spanking in the heat of the salt.
Yes, and you're not going to spank me to make me
hurt you.
Pain.
Right.
Yeah, it's a sensual thing about it.
Okay. But in general, you don't want no man. You don't want no man have to beat you up. You don't want no man where you have to go test him. You don't want.
No, I'm not the testing thing. You can feel a man authority.
Okay, I see.
Anyway,
all right, no worry yourself. Bless up here. Huh?
Cross that to you.
All right, then bless up here.
All right, let's say a word.
Okay. Hey, somehow on a for reason intelligently, you know. What I'm not going to talk about, well, I get to me born and gram in a stay so. I want the backside do, and of course everybody in a get on a stay so. In fact, most women in a get on a stay so like what we are talking about. All I'm saying is, I get to me here and see woman talk and behave that way there. Right? When me uptown woman get beaten too, you know. And you have uptown woman who like beaten too and have problems in them head too, you know. But them hold on them thing. And them thing the public with one will for excitement and drama like our thing in a ghetto. So when I say on a bar and grow a ghetto and on a stay so, of course no found and I go stay so. You hear me say everybody stay so? All I'm saying is in ghetto me hear woman talk so. Just as I hear woman talk in a ghetto so them no want no man will beat them up and re. Me hear woman talk all the while in a ghetto and say, I idiot man that and thing. Me no like them man when me tell them the things them. If you come out box me and thing, I make the 2-hour war. When I hear mama talk the things them. A regular thing that me hear that from certain ghetto woman. You understand? But of course it's not every ghetto. No man could have put him on for my mother. Oh, any man try that, me see my mama before my mother dead. Right? As young as me see guy come around my mother and I straight my shit to them structure. Pamela Scott, Miss Cherry never play. No man, my mother never take no leg from no guy. And she never liked that. Till my mother did just reach a point where she said, one man she there with. And I'm answer God, she don't want no more man. You understand? In other words, she reached a point where before she could take any arms or something, she just couldn't bother. She just said she not bother with no man. And I just her Bible and God. So when I say every woman in I get it, so when I come back with a reasoning there, when I really pre the meds, right? You see me? Send her the next caller for me. Good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon.
Greetings.
Raga?
Yes. What's up?
I have a friend from Netherlands. I have a friend from Italy. And in Netherlands, I just want to big up and make a note say. But I have to show lock in the Netherlands.
Oh, Papa Jesus. This is our listener from Italy. What the place where they Bologna? I saw it name?
Yeah, but we moved from Bologna and live in Amsterdam now.
All right, so I move from Bologna in Italy. I want to go and live in Amsterdam now and think, and you still have the show lock up there in the Netherlands, right? Blessings and things. So, bless line and the whole family.
Bless line, him good. Everybody good, nothing say.
All right, just, we have several other listeners up there, you know. You have only for Jamaican up in Amsterdam there too, you know.
Yeah, I know. One of my friends them last week, yeah.
All right, just big them up for me. So big up all our Jamaican listeners up there in Amsterdam, in the Netherlands, up in Holland, up in them area. And large up yourself. Because you know we rate you like that because you're one of the original jungle girl.
Yeah, I rate you like that too. Just big up my mother, Sonia, and a jungle. Straight.
What your mother name again?
Sonia.
Sonia, which part of jungle she ends out again?
Angola, Tambourine, Angola.
Sonia, and worry yourself, large up yourself, my maximum respect. Sonia and Angola and Arnett Gardens, aka Jungle, large up yourself, and big up all of my jungle linky them same way. And you don't know this, our listener. Well, you know, she married and thing, and up in a Bologna, up in a Italy, no left out the shore. Now she moved and gone over in the Netherlands, over in Amsterdam, and still no left out the shore. Big up yourself, you and all of the Jamaican people, I'm up there, large up on yourself to the world, yeah?
Yeah, I big up all of my friends in the jungle. Enough respect. I love you like that, so I have that laugh.
Manners and respect here, I saw the things set them for no. All right, blessings. Yeah, man, that's some love about the thing when it global, you know, people keep it real, and anyone there, and thing on the life can expand, on it can grow other branches to the tree, because that is what life is about, growth and thing. But at the end of the day, we have the capacity, you know, to remain in touch with our roots. And if our roots are ghetto, we come from, nothing wrong if you still talk your ghetto, nothing wrong if you still have your ghetto flavor and thing. And if some dirty people don't like it, make them go chuck off and go bury themselves in a condominium down a Maypen Cemetery. We now look upon people. We are good at being ourselves. We're not wearing a mask, we're not wearing a facade for please nobody. Make them call dirty crosses, nastiness people. How we say Ray? How we say whoa? How we say brother, talk up the things that man keep it real and make some drunk go pitch on a banana tree or a coconut tree and go look some dead meat and low it. Anyway, give me a next call. Good afternoon. Hello.
Raga.
Wow.
Not because I'm in the ghetto, I'm following the man at Phelps and Phillips inquiry, but there's something that seems to... Raga.
Yeah.
Something I pose them, as they go say, the people are going to say, them can't recall. Raga, Miss Lightburn say, KD night is said 31 years ago, tell us all liberate for days, so all things that I'm recently, them can't remember, Raga.
What you said? You said the Attorney General. And Justice Minister. You say 31 years ago. KD night. She said KD night. Tell her say all labor right for dead. So you say if she can remember what KD night said 31 years ago, how she can remember things which just happened what day that you say?
Yeah, you can't recall the recently things and them old things that drop off put place with new things. Rather when you see tree leaf and drop off a tree, the dry leaf drop off and I left the green one, so I don't understand.
But Biggie, we must point out, that you are a very public and open PNP person, right?
Right.
Okay, all right, then, good. But we just want, we don't want nobody get it twisted and thing. But it's a good point you make. If she can remember what KD Knight tell her 31 years ago, how she can remember recent things, right, you know?
Yeah, Raga, I don't understand all the quicksand, all the take with the nowadays thing and it never shrink with the 31 years ago thing. Raga, I don't really understand, Raga, because them say get up people fool and illiterate, Raga, but me as watch and me as so much, and as they go up me say, people are going police and go to them can't remember police Raga, those trigger me, I'm saying, no, I'm up out, Raga, that matter, yeah?
I'm going to share something with you. You see, some of what is going on there in the thing, right, I know, it's a game being played. You see, when the lawyers deliberately ask over question, it's a tactic where them learn in a law school for cross-examination. By the same token, good lawyers coach their clients to be equally frustrating in their responses to the lawyer. You see that thing they were dirty, like you see what KD Knight I do with that kind of ask back question and that kind of badgering thing there, a technique, a strategy that. You see what Dorothy Lightburn I do, I go like she a poor thing and this and that, a straight strategy that also. You see that thing they were she refuse to make them corner and a yes or no answer or whatever. It is all deliberate. KD Knight know what him a do and she know what she a do. KD Knight want corner and trap her somewhere and she do the thing to make sure say him no corner and chopper. So just as though him a try frustrate her, she a try frustrate him too. It look like them just ask question and just answer. A beer technique and strategy the people them are going with. Them know the game like wow.
Oh, anyway, rather big up Jennifer would have to get drunk from Prairie Beach and still rather beer something.
Get drunk over Prairie Beach. What she do at Prairie Beach? A funeral she go our beach.
Rather how them somebody and shake like Tambourine, they want to sing like the two bars. I should tell you over after.
Well on, Biggie, Biggie. You pop down phone at it, so talk good night.
Listen, them somebody has shake like the Tambourine, Raga, them want to sing yesterday at the two-piece bar suit home off the beach. Big, I wasn't at here.
Yeah, oh, you have the beach, what?
Busy, and I wasn't at the Raga.
Okay, but your voice a chip. Biggie. Your voice a chip out, you know. Your voice a chip out.
My voice not chip out. Listen on, babe.
Hold on. Biggie. It's when me tell you say something happen. Don't tell me back say it not happen. Me not hear that. You understand?
Right, but me not move.
No, but me not say you move. Me just say based on the connection or whatever your voice a chip out, so you don't tell me say your voice. I must say what?
The kinetic in my body, the kinetic power.
The kinetic power, give them some big words, Biggie.
Raga.
Mad. Okay. And just so you know, Biggie, you used that word grammatically correct and contextually correct just now. But anyway, go on.
Thank you very much. So at least I'm no longer done. Say that, yes, they're real. If you put that on me, what here?
Anyway, still, so what you say you have the beach week yesterday and your two-piece bathing suit?
I asked Raga, the month of man, even though I'm not in I like your friend, over there, so Raga, make sure put on a black bag to make me look extra slim down, you know, I'm not going to look fat, you know, Raga.
Right, because black make you look slimmer, right? Yes?
Right, I'm going to talk about beer things on the beach, beer excitement, and she and Nick Black Bass, Raga, just about beer things. Raga, when the liquor take car, Raga, my lady take the beach, Raga, say, for 1 month, I ate some, Raga.
I mix up and blend that time.
I'm wanting to call and talk up the things,
Mix up and blend the family. You don't know we love no call them, you know. But no bother get we no trouble. No bad word, no mention nobody name or where them come from. No say nothing we can identify them. Remember, we love the program, you know, and we want to keep it on the radio. So please, me I beg you to keep it clean. Hey, I laugh, learn and grow, we say, no. Hey, Raga, run the thing.
Yeah, man, welcome back up in nice sitting. Welcome back up in nice sitting. I be a things are going. Man, I sitting get kind. Hey, you see, it's where we just have to talk about with Biggie. Wanna go and take Dorothy Lightburn light. You think is it Dorothy Sloan and go like she a putting and barely answer and whatever. I worry, man. I bring the Dorothy and flip the thing on the sheriff, you know, and take it to him hardcore, you know. Mad! At that name drama. At there's a mix up there. Wanna see some mix up there everywhere. A mix-up can be used as a weapon. 31 years dirty, I carry that. I go so, bam, I'm back skinny with it, clad KD. I said, we have life in a danger and be a thing, we can't go on and whatever. But there's a game them still a play. Because it's a kid you want dirty if you go give an apology. No, do we owe them people a work, you know? You see, any of dirty go apologize and it go up on record, say, she apologize and thing and whatever. That can open up all kind of doors, you know, for all kind of lawsuit or if you use the material in certain ways and whatever. So, them have to find a win-win solution right now and thing between that. But a drama, you see, KD, Papa Jesus. But anyway, you see, we have our mix-up over here and them have mix-up too, you know. Anybody who talk about a mix-up now for them on the radio and this and that and whatever, them favor watch it not, make them go away. Right? Life full of drama. And once drama in our life, we have mix-up. Right? Big up the one, what name there, who does post. Hear him now? You're the poor, yeah, basically the poor go somewhere like that. It's warm to them uptown people, yeah, man. Everywhere them go, them bring them slackness. Thank God for Ghetto people, because we know how to behave. Beloved, I don't want Dirty Nick post it. I want Dirty Nick post it. I think him Facebook name now a Yard Mob. Yard Mob. Mob. YAADMOB. Him post it. It's warm to them uptown people, yeah, man. Everywhere them go, them bring them slackness and them unruly behavior and them tick. Sure. Thank God for Ghetto people. We know how to behave. It mad, Nick. It a work. But like it. I like it. I like it. Too much. Too much. Too much. Okay. To the phone lines we go. Landlord Mixup or landlady Mixup. Any Mixup who have just shell it down. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello?
Yep.
Me? Oh.
Yes, hello.
Hi, Raga.
Yes,
I want
greetings.
to know, but I have something to say first, right? Is
Yeah.
it men who hit women?
Yeah.
They're not strong men. They are weak.
Oh.
That's why
Weak man then.
They're weak. If they're strong and humans, they come strong me out, then gone. And but if you're weak, them are going to turn
You
on
see,
and
I have
back down.
always agreed with that. My argument is this.
Yeah.
If a woman can say something to you, will make you have to go over there go put your hand on her, it means that what she's saying is controlling you. That is controlling you. You understand?
That lady would just say she don't want no weak, a weak man she have. We are box her down every day. That is a weak man.
Well, but the truth is, while I agree with it, that's another way of looking at it. I'm going to tell you something, and sometimes people misunderstood it. It's something I learned in philosophy class, and there is something I learned in in my studies. People tend to believe that there's always a single truth, but the truth is there are multiple truths. Okay,
Really?
so what is true for you, a lie for
Cannot
somebody
be
else.
true for somebody else. That's true.
Yeah, based on where them live and where them I go through. You understand? Are two different things.
That's
Again, me not justify it, because me not beat no woman. But at the same time, me always argue that if anybody don't want nobody put them hand on them not for put them hand on anybody. So this whole thing about woman can fire lick per man and man not for lick them back, me don't join it. And this whole thing about if a woman...
you know, and then lick her back, that is not a weak man. That is just
Thank you. But do you know that there are many who are
telling you a stroud word and you thump her down? You are a weak man.
Right, but do you know that there are many people out there who say is workless man and weak man lick back woman when woman lick them?
No, a woman should not take a hand on a man.
Have you ever heard that before? Have you ever heard that before?
Yes, I have. I have.
Can I just tell you? Well, you used to what?
I used to say that before I started
You used to
listening to your show and gain sense. You know?
And you gain
If you lick your
hold
brain
on,
up, you lick my back.
Hold on. You used to say that until you start listening to my show and you gain some sense. Can I just tell you something real quickly before you go in and you mix up? Calabar all age me I go. Me in a grade 4. And twin Emily Nelson and Patricia Nelson. Me, I think me did a walk past and I play Danny Shandy. I'm a walk through the thing and lick the ball lick me. I'm take up the ball and fling it. And them come over and I war me. And when I tell you, say the two of them, I love them now, because we turn friend after. And Emily Nelson and Patricia Nelson start beat out me watch it now. Me I try, me don't have time for the... No, man, me dip on the ground now, And me I tell you, say, I box and kick to my structure, Me know, me I fight back and me kind of catch up my hand and just go kick out my foot one at a time and kick. I think Emily me kick on her leg. Let me tell you, sir, you see the whole time the two of them they beat me? 2 teachers stand up there and watch me and get beaten and them never come over. You see when me fling out a foot and go kick Emily, them fly over. What is wrong with you? You don't know you're not supposed to put your foot on your hand for a lady like that. And I will never forget it. I'll know me a carry belly for them. I'll know me have them about it. I'll know it about me. But
good that you have friends now, though. I can assume that you don't hit women, right?
No. I will never put my hand on a woman. But if a woman clap me with an iron, me a box her back. If she fire back on me, me a box her back. Nobody put your hand on me. If you put your hand on me, I reserve the right for box her back. Anybody box for me, I box him back. If Renato Di Cordova Valentina Adams come back me right now, me a box back Adams. Me a go run after my boxing, but me still a boxing back. Anyway, yeah.
So let me take it quick, right?
Yeah.
Bring up to the landlord where every time a friend buys something, you raise the rent. If she buy a TV, you raise the rent. If she buy a 3-piece coat, you raise the rent. Every time she buys something, put $2,000 on the rent.
You know, so you have some dirty landlords here, so for true. If them see you step up in their life, them say, oh, you have money. You have money, can buy flat. You have money, can buy flat screen TV. And then just raise the rent. A real thing, that man. A real thing. I say you have some dirty landlords there. Hey, you know, say a whole no, well, you know, say a whole well, no, darling, hear this. You know, say a whole heap of tenant when them buy them things, them hide it and make them landlords see.
But Raga, you can't want buy one TV and can't buy the TV. You want to change over your sofa and can't change over your sofa because
that's why you know to make them see in your place.
No, but with that, they live next door to them all come. They must see when the sofa come. They must when they come the court shall come.
No, for real, that's true. But you have some landlords stay so for true.
When the woman get the rent, we got $20,000. She can't manage it, she move out. But she's stupid. Every time she buys something, the man raise the rent. She still did it. And she knows that the day after, the thing come. Him come there and tell her, you know, sir, I'm going to put on a $2,000 on the rent. And she's stupid. Because every time she buys something, him raise the rent.
How wicked that, man. All wicked that. Anyway, blessings here.
People. Yeah, man, take care. Bye-bye.
All right, then, blessings. All righty, then, here we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello, Raga. What's up?
Why am I there chilling and walleting and I give thanks? You know, oh my God bless her. Oh my God bless her. Oh my God bless her. And it's confuse themselves.
Hey, Raga, I won't leave a mix up now for you. Every day I just sit down and just listen to you, but to them I just decide to call you.
Rinse them, baby.
You kind of see me one time, but you don't really know who exactly I call. Raga, I call you, get a piece of landlord mix up. Although I don't come from the ghetto, but I still have to give you a ghetto story.
Yeah.
Me used to have a landlord get Raga. Me have a ex-husband. When the landlord knows the rent you Raga, the landlord come up and open the gate and come in the yard Raga and park up in the class down from 4 o'clock in the morning Raga. That's Raga. If we ever come out and go work, you know, you're not no swear to tell me no Raga because he come early enough in the Raga.
Hold on. You can't say you did leave early before him coming and that's why I get the rent, you know.
Well, anyway, Raga, all I know in the mix-up I go on. I tell you something, I have an ex-husband at the time. But every time the youth carry the money to go to Raga and pay a landlord, anytime the rent supposed to pay and him go out the Raga, it's like when me see the landlord next time he come back, he always tell me, say, he never get all of the money. So me never used to know everyone because when me always ask him if he pay the landlord all of the money, he always tell me say yes, he pay the landlord all of the money. That time, Raga, the boy used to have to be a woman, them which part him take the money and I give. But as me hear the girl I talk to you from down in the ghetto and she say, boy, she like when see a man box her down or whatever. Raga, this a man I'm used to sometimes have to put on some lick on him.
You put on lick on him?
Yeah, Raga, I'm used to it because that's what I'm Raga. The boy I want to go out, you know, sometimes he used to come in a Raga. I like me later, I like sometimes he go and say that I feel like me, I jump. Me not take it nothing, Raga. What I mean, I feel like somebody a put on some fish for me, Raga. When I jump up, now the youth come in and I sleep, Raga. I put on some lick for me, so Raga, you see, anytime I don't want now, I feel like me, I jump, me just mask the map stick, Raga. I remember me tell you, man, you see, I didn't reach the house and start. You see, before I come to me, me just start put on some for them, Raga. Well on. Me not understand where you higher jump have to do with it. Where you higher jump have to do. Anytime you higher jump, you're going to get beaten. Higher jump, Raga, me know that the youth are coming to come war me, Raga. So guess what happened? You see, before I'm coming and put on something for me, make sure put on something for them first.
Hold on. Are you telling me that are you left eye or your right eye?
Raga, me left eye. Anytime you see the left eye, I jump.
Where I say, anytime your left eye start jump, you don't think it's just some random thing a go on in your body. You think that is a sign say him a come in for put on lick on you. So Raga, you get ready for put on lick on him first.
Raga, I not tell me to say, if I tell me to say, it's a sure it is the man are coming to do some form of war. He coming to come war me, Raga. When me draw the map stick, Raga, the only thing me then tell him come in and install before him put it on me first, me just make sure me leg or some for him first, Raga.
No, but darling, people that listen to you right now and I say, damn foolish, you see attack. Oh, your eye fear jump and you know, so that means that you're you. Some people that listen and I say, there is no connection.
Raga, in my life, Raga, that was a connection because, Raga, anytime you see me in the home, Raga, and you see me eyes start to jump, and anytime you see him come inside of the house, Raga, I sure war, Raga. No question asked about that. Now I tell you that some experience with the on the radio live, Raga. Now because I mix up programming that no mean me I make up nothing, I tell you straight up, Raga. The only thing you have to do is just jar the map stick, Raga, and just put it on. As in come outside the argument, I mean, look at the one boy, I love war, Raga. We just put it on him first, Raga.
Boy, me not necessarily agree with you right there, sir, but so what you say, you always have to beat him up too.
Then Raga, me will tell you something. What you think say me will do? Stand up and make no man come take me to no beating stick, Raga. Eh?
Okay.
Like,
so when you beat him up, him fight you back door.
Then Raga, that's our intention. Raga, me can't make him hold me, because he's tall and chopped, And me can't make him hold me because any hold me, Father help me. So anytime he just come and he start and me put on the pan him, Raga, me moving Raga, because me not stand up,
All right, now say a word here. We're going to bunk some more mix up here.
Yeah, man, all right.
All right, take care. Be a drama this one, be your sickness this one. All right, then give me a next caller now. Give me a next caller.
Hello.
Yes, greetings.
Yeah, greetings, Raga.
Yeah.
No longer to link you on star.
All right, Papa. Senna.
You see landlord business.
Yeah.
I only mix up, but when time my landlord passed through my yard, the whole I scoot them off a tree done.
What? Him just what? Read the tree them?
Yeah, man, him just read the tree them, man. And all them have to show them for you have to left some party, left. Yeah, man, just read it. You see, woman mix up and I'm a moody beat a woman. But maybe you're that girl not sees you. We can call the place down.
Yeah, man, you can call the place, yeah.
Yeah, maybe that girl can see you. I'm not telling you, one night we go back over my old man base. And our phone must ring and I say, yo, what call every time I come at town, the phone I ring. And I say, yo, give me that. And the girl has fight up on the tool, rather. Tools are the tool to carry them and pull over on her boot and hold a small fight. And I say,
well, what you fight you for?
Her phone. She fight me for her phone. Because I take it to her. And I say, well, I reason with her and say, she just dip on her phone. Because a man doesn't live in I'm going to sit there deep.
Yeah.
But never a whole man to live a Portmore. Put up on the ends. And when I go over to the girl, I fight me for her phone. Rather. So I say, well, you fight me for your phone. So I let me answer your phone or I don't see your phone. So I then find say, he's a different man.
And hold on. All you mean you don't know why she fight you for her phone? It's for her phone and you take away her phone.
Yeah, but more to get her attention. She say, yo, can I come and leave some man to some girl? And I say, yo, my time now, don't, because once in a while, I see you. The girl will fight me to her phone, rather. And
but for her phone, I understand what you're saying, but perhaps there was a different way you could have get her to start give more attention and things. Because, but then for grab her phone, what may I say? Me not say you shouldn't grab her phone. May I say, once you grab her the phone, if you know, say there's a possibility that she can fight you back for the phone.
No, but what may I say, Shaka? May I go, may I call myself for a reason. Every time I call, if somebody is a call different, I have to take. So I want to get that undivided attention now, so I pull it away from her. You get me after now?
No. I don't think you understand what I say. What me I say is, I understand why you take with the phone. But put it that way. You say once you take with the phone from her, you know say, yeah, you're going to get her attention now. And the attention going to be probably in the farm of fighting you back for the phone. Because probably she have something in the phone where she don't want you to see her, whatever. So you just have to prepare to defend yourself now. But don't grab her phone and feel she not going to want to fight your feet. Yeah, when I hear from you is that she shouldn't have fight you for the phone, but I say if her phone and you grab it, of course she can't fight your feet. And you know what you do.
Alright, I'm me by the phone.
Yeah, and that me I say you for know you do. If you want broke up the phone, broke up the phone. If you want gear back the phone, gear back the phone. If you want hold the phone and say you have to chat to me now, it's me broke up this, I want me, this, me. Are you for know what you have to do, but don't say she not have no right for you fight your back for fear phone.
No, I didn't.
Where you grab
right, she's a fight. It's a whole thing go. She'll fight me.
Yeah.
So I'm going to go and pay the money and have to pull over upon myself and bust a fight. Because she'll give me some good box in the man and I tell her, yo, me a man, I can't take certain lick, you know, because I'm not trying to lick a woman, but when you lick a certain kind of hot, you'll get something.
Yeah. And that is what a lot of people don't want to acknowledge. Woman lick at, woman box at. Them woman box at. Woman probably box as police. You understand?
Yeah, man.
Right?
Wicked, man.
So what you do? You come out of the car and bust a fight?
And bust a fight. And we jump back in the car and go to my place. We bust the next fight. Here one now. When we go to my place now, and the phone come back in play again. Me I say, you'll be. Imagine me coming on the area and because you have your mind phone to you burn your mind. But you have to know me now take the phone. Just want your attention. But something didn't have to hide for real. So when you know my place now, we can take a knife and bust a cut for me.
She take a knife and cut you?
And cut me to her phone. So you know, so there's a rigmarole start now.
Well, a good cut you get?
It's a no mask still upon me. Sure, I'm a co-worker today.
Then after she cut you with a knife, with the knife, now what you do?
She threw with the knife. She threw with the knife when she cut me. So my whole arm get mad and now I give her 2 good box. You see I jump around and I spin like when I dig fall with Stewart. Yeah, man, and then the whole arm say, I cut the back, you know. But I can't find the knife. So I go down my house with a knife and say, I cut the back in a and your face want to cut you. So Raga, all if you know, so you have in face and I say, all right, come on a ball. So I have to drop all the knife and laugh.
Well, they that really go cut her back with the knife?
Raga, come on, Raga, man. Man to man, you're mad, man. Cut a woman. Not because she cut any heart. They don't lick her already, so I say, oh.
Okay. So you never did go cut her? You never did go cut her in her face?
No, but there's a thing more I cut her back in your face.
Okay. All right, me work with that. Me work.
Come, and I bought her, come, cut me then, cut me, go home. And we just start.
And that she say? And that she say?
Yeah.
And that she say?
Yeah, so cut her in her face.
Then, well, she don't sound too right.
No, but I mean, I tell her, she used to do with a man from Copenhagen, and I was a beat her. So me never know that until certain.
Oh.
Yeah. Please, so I'm not about to
Yo, let me tell you something. Music talk to one girl. Pleasant girl. Pleasant. Intelligent, bright girl and thing or whatever. And cut long story short, me much younger still, but he reach a point where little thing I go down and it was understood that why we know so the thing did I go run. You see when we reach in the room, and all we reach in our living room, everything good enough, we're still pleasant, we're very intelligent with it. When we reach in the room, the girl start up a piece of antic and a piece of attitude and whatever. And I go on with that, I'm not going into too much detail. So I start to say, my girl, what you do? She said, what? And she just bring up some unnecessary things and whatever this that.
Yeah.
Cut long story short, I just fear way that spice up the thing or whatever. I mean, if you move gangster now to her, but with all due respect, it was so contrived and so it seems so false and and it's like role playing to the max where I don't even like you have fun. I don't even like your girl I do the thing and you say, yo, I'm a Superman, or put on a nurse outfit because the doctor, them look away. I don't even them look play thing there when me love do without apology. It was like only for years say she eventually because in the middle thing, so the girl I tell me say like she come flat out and say some comment like I don't even box her or nothing.
Yeah.
I tell you, it was one of the most, I feel so stupid. You know why me feel stupid? Me feel stupid, sir. Right, that woman I talk to her, or me go pick up that woman and whatever. You understand? Basically, she tell me something for put her on a box pan her and rough her up before we can do it because that turn her around. Only if you know, say, that the girl used to. Man, I beat her and take it, and that's what she think man for behave.
What, never did the thing.
No, hold on. And you see what you say a while ago? I have said this on this show many times. I'm going to say, all man me talk to right now. But it applies to everybody. Well, on. You see, if you there with somebody and you cannot be 100% safe, I feel 100% safe asleep around that person. Don't there with them. Leave.
Yes, ma'am.
You know, some he left she after that.
Yeah, my mother told me I left for the same time.
Yeah, why did I, sir? You know, yeah, tell me the next thing, they quick.
I said, never next castle, man. I beat that castle. When I start out, he said, must tow a car. And when I speak that, I said, must beat hard until she start losing breath in her body. I said, yeah, man, I'm murder, I'm charged for.
Okay,
so,
well,
man, I just their way of doing certain things.
No, yes, but that is a particular sex fetish thing, you know, man. That thing that they about long time. I don't know if you did watch the movie there with Sean Connery and Wesley Snipes. You did watch that movie there one long. You remember that movie there?
Yeah, man.
With Sean Connery, something to do with Japan. Something to do with Japan.
Yeah, when time, the girl, my name is Keith, man. And then they say, I demand them a day, but I different man there, what I do. Watch it, man.
Exactly. No, man, you have some me not doing it, you know. Me not doing it. What's like with me strong and then me go kill you and she no wake up and thing like that. For what? Me not choke no woman when me and them a start out. If she want a choker, she go there with a gunman or somebody or whatever. Me not going to choke no. Any woman who thinks I'm not going to give me a look nookie. If you reach a point where I say anything, I don't want to choke. Do one bother give me none because I not choke, you know. Anyway, Papa, we are going to break now. Yeah.
Yeah, man, you remember that Chris was in a sentence?
Yeah.
Man, who shirt, we take a picture with them and I'm minister, man.
Cool, man. Are you to bring the cat to come out with?
I tell Ruth, say show shot and Ruth is scaling, get that. Not your Ruth, my Ruth.
Me know which Ruth. She there foreign here now, though, don't?
Yeah.
All right, big her up for me. Yeah, man, remember the time.
Yeah, Ruth have my number, because I was thinking more to spend time with the seriously, but I don't want to the show. So,
half the year, no worry yourself.
Because I think I go on Wednesday night and I'm on Tuesday night and I'm on the link.
Oh, see, me want to mix up this, so no worry yourself. Root up the link, so me link you, yeah?
And I mix up,
all right, Papa. All right. No say a word. Well, we'll break people soon for.
I mix up and blend that time.
I'm want to call and talk up the thing them.
Yeah, man, welcome back up in nice sitting. Welcome back up in nice sitting. No, people, when I think some people misunderstand me get two texts and things. Me I said, me never say, me didn't know it's working thing. Me say, me used to talk to somebody, a certain woman from South. People don't know how me attack. Anybody who know I'm a Cloverly Road link. Man, Ray Tete, who they are England, you know. Everything is everything. Who did want me for kind of war before they start out and thing? I mean, not them something. No, the choking thing, no. Me never in that position. I just say, if any woman want me to go choke her and squeeze her to right, she almost a pass out. And I make like start out. I really depend on that. You hear accident go up and all them things, then they are prison and thing. And before you know it, is a big man want to choke you. You see? Yo, give me a next caller. Good afternoon.
Afternoon, Raga.
Yes, greeting.
Greetings, big up every time. Are you name or you name? Is it?
Cool, family.
All right, a second time for your program, is it?
Cool, man.
All right, just again, it's a kind of landlord mix-up still, as well as it's a mix-up. Just a mix-up. Anyway, my brethren, him a go UA, but him come from down the country. So what really happens is that, you know, that when you come from down the country, you have to look at a little place to board up in the morning there. So him seek and an ex-virgin put him on to one couple, you know. Big man, have a nice wife, but little did we know so the man start out the woman proper. So my virgin now get the room now and start living on there. So him say the woman have to cook for him and everything, and you know, him just pay a little extra for that.
Yeah.
All of a sudden now she starts telling him, saying, if you better pay for the little extra for the cooking and just take him as part of the family, because our husband say, you know, a young youth and it a cost him for situation of you and all them little thing there. So, you know, him start live like a family member, you know. So, day in day out, it go on until one of the evening now and go there.
the wife telling him, say the big man gone a country.
Yeah.
And gone look for him in Woulda because Woulda sick, so he must spend about a week or so before he come back up.
Right.
Anyway, from one thing to another, him, my brother, start out the woman.
Right.
So it's like him, like the big man begging the big man on the door, and he said it's unusual because when he just start live there, the man every evening the man come in, every night the man come in. So what happen now is that the man start coming less and less since he start out the woman.
Yeah.
You know? So anyway, the man come in one evening and he said, boy, I wonder if I notice the man, find out the boy, I start out in wife. And I try to catch me. So him start feel guilty within himself, you know.
Yeah.
And he said, boy, I go left here, man, because me feel so I catch a man, I want to catch me. I mean, I want no man kill me, because country me come from, I mean, I know if you run go up here, so, you know.
Yeah.
So anyway, one evening now, it's like, the husband come in, and him said to the husband...
Get down to the nitty-gritty part,
yeah,
right?
All right. Him said to the husband, say, listen, come let me have to go left, you know, because, you know, me think you and your wife need your privacy. And me realize that since me come out, you know, you keep us on the yard some kind of way. That time I'm talking at the presence of the wife and the husband, so the husband said to him, come on. And he want to take him going to one next room and sitting down. And he said, you know, say, you come from country and I think you was a good youth. You was a wicked youth, you know. Imagine me they are start out the woman together and can't manage it. And you want to run left it for me alone. You stay and kill me. He say, yo, if you caught me in the blood, no run, my youth. Because when the man tell me that I can't believe that they have something at my Jamaica, me always the man say at my foreign. He said the man said to him, say, boy, the two of them start the woman together. I can't manage it. Me even left you with you alone, you know. When me go to country, you know, left you with you alone, you know. But me can't.
Yeah, because I know you help out the situation, you know.
Yeah. The man say you wicked. He say you first country with me, but it's so wicked. Because you know, me alone with the woman.
The two of them are struggling with it. The two of them are struggling with it, and you come and left him. Hey.
Virgin somebody, if you cut him, no blood, no run stark, and can't release a man to plain.
You see. For real. Now, man, you have that little thing. Yeah, man.
Eh? No,
now, man, you have that little thing.
Him no something there, no. Him left, you know. But he said, boy, so the man put it in, he said, go back and go and start out the man no one again, you know. But he said, boy, I don't care, I know whether man want or not, then go there, but he just go there. And go deal with her. Yeah, man.
No. We have a whole some other call, but remember me tell you, see from him tell me that me and him laugh about it, but still not start out again. You know why? Me don't know what is what. Me don't know what is what. Me don't still don't know what is what. The heart can't change, mind can't change. We can't drop your next woman.
Yeah, man.
Anyway, a blessings here.
Big up, man, every time. No boy can stop you. No way, no time, no day.
We give thanks, Papa. We give thanks.
All right, sir. Cool.
All right, then. Blessings and blessings. Yeah, but give me a next caller, Rote. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Hello. Yes, hello.
First time caller, right?
Yeah, man, blessings.
I am on?
Yes, man, you're on. Talk up.
All right, Raga. I just want to pick up my friend, landlord. When she come collect the rent one on Saturday morning, she start getting her spirit from before she reach the gate. And Raga, when she get the money, she start to get in her spirit and speaking in some tongues and dash down the money. So the money have oil on it. So,
Hold on. The landlord starts speaking in tongues and fling down the money so the money have oil on it.
Yeah.
The landlady.
You hear me?
Yeah, man. The landlady start fling down the money and I say oil and hope you have the money.
Yes, that's down the money. I should have wanted because it's oil up. They cannot more than take up the money and spend it.
Then hold on. Then she about come back for the rent.
She come the next month when she come back for the rent. Then spray some perfume on the money. I think they should have got dashed down again. But then I should have dashed down because they want the money again.
Oh, okay, so she just never take no money for that no rent for that month then.
But I take the one the first time she not take it. Because she said they won't over from the money.
Okay,
so the The other month, now when they come back fee, when she come back to the rent, they spray a perfume for the car. She said, then say, you want to see she dash the money again.
Okay, and even with the perfume that time, that she never dash the money that time.
She never dash the money. She take it and gone. Because apparently she desperate that Monday.
The spirit, no man, I bet you should have hungry that month there and thing and whatever. Anyway, blessings here.
Yeah, Raga, I want your advice for something. You can talk to me off here?
No, I can't talk. I can't talk, you know. Here. Here. All right.
I want to
give Ruth your number. Give Ruth your name and number. Give Ruth your name and number. Yeah?
All right.
Don't remember the Vibes Cartel. They a lecture up at the University of the West Indies and thing. Professor Carolyn Cooper invited him there to give a lecture and thing. And, we don't know, say, the whole of you we are going to roll out and hear what the teacher have to say. Corey, anyway, you're the larger bounty killer, large up yourself, alliance family, boom bang, respect. My father, gully creature, and gully crew, large up on yourself, mad cassava piece, papa for piece, maximum respect indeed. All right? Portmore Empire, go so. Here we go to the phone lines. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello?
Yes, greetings.
Greetings, Raga.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. First me I call you, you know?
All right, Papa. What you say, I know?
Yeah, when I tell you something, I try to confirm what the lady would tell you about the jumping at the eye there, you know? Say, anytime trouble in here?
Yeah.
Because you have with me too. I know a lot of people I said things to. Anytime you trouble in here, the left eye jump and the right eye, you know? Anytime the right eye jump, you know, so there's some news or something, you know, say long time or something like that. Some excitement.
No, listen now. Me know say, I will if a Jamaicans believe it, you know. Me know it's a part of Jamaican
culture,
folklore.
right.
In fact, me know the song when me grew up with. Me say me le fire jump,
yeah.
Me say me le fire jump,
yeah, man,
we know the tune them. But me just say, remember, you can't. No, so what you say? Anytime you're left fire jump,
anytime you left fire jump, man, you understand me? Some sad story. These are somebody who quarrel, some family member, yes, in the hospital, or some tragedy, you know? Right.
Anytime you're right, and anytime you're right,
jump up. Is that some business or something, you know, some bright prospect, you know, something you hear about bright, you know? Yeah, man.
Something positive.
Yeah,
something
man. Anytime me left fire now, they scratch me now, you know, so we let them spend money. Some unexpected spending, you know? And it's the right.
And when
you know,
when you're right,
some unexpected money, you know. Me always scratch when money don't come.
Well on. When you're right hand, me glass scratching the money, I come in.
The money they come, you don't know where they come from. That blue.
And when you're left hand, me glass scratching the money, I go.
Some unexpected spending, eh?
Hey, anytime my hand me go scratch me get money, and I don't know why.
Yeah,
but
man,
I still don't. Hold on, I still don't believe it. I've anything to do with the scratching of my hand me go.
Yeah,
hold on, so what when your foot bottom was scratching, you can walk on grave too.
No, that happened to me, you know. So
that happened to you?
No, not really. We never take out it, but you know, we know about the hand and the eye, you know.
But as far as you're concerned, you believe in the left fire jump, say something bad about
see what something, you know.
So nobody can't tell you say nothing no go so.
They can't tell me otherwise, you know, because it happened to me all the while, you know, I watch it, you know. Yeah, man, the next thing I may say to you now, you know. Are you people like you and Mr. Perkins on the revolutionize talk show, you know?
But that is interesting because Mr. Perkins don't like me.
No, man, me say, when Mr. Perkins started out 20 years ago, when he used to take on the politician, the man take on agency and institution, he was a madman. If you come off a radio, can't stand long for a radio. And what?
Oh.
So I show you,
look.
You know, look what happened to him now. And he won a talk show also one time, say, look here. He makes a sense every statement that people always criticize and so on, but he makes a sense every statement. He said, all right, they come with broadcast, the commission have to kill the talk show. What they need to do, leave him to the market. You understand me? And the market will determine whether he will float or he will sink, and which is true.
Which is true.
Yeah,
well, so what you're saying? So what you're saying, just like people in that text said per Multi Perkins and I predict
right.
The same thing happened to me with my thing.
The same thing happened to you now, you know. Anytime you revolutionize them, you know, if you have broad change for anything, you always come out of them little thing, you know, until, as me say, the market will take care of the situation. So if you feel live long in it, the market don't determine that.
No, but Upton Dunn and Cardell Green don't want me on radio, and they have set about to get me off radio. I'm telling you, they have initiated a step-by-step process to get rid of Ragashanti off a radio.
Well, you're in demand. You're
So
in
you
demand,
think
you know. And
okay.
So you find, say, yeah, because one of the time when I move around Mr. Perkins, you know, say, IrieFM is even a music-based station. And they were thinking about facilitating him. So, you know, people like you know, you understand, you're in demand, so your show, look how many radio station, you always bring the business. You understand, you're that big money spinner, in other words, span for the sponsors and everybody. So people, you always start after. So you don't have to worry about them, you know. Yeah,
so hold on. They have initiated a campaign to contact advertising agencies and sponsors and to tell them to stop advertising in my show. So you think the advertisers and them people are going to listen to them?
No, because the thing about it, as me tell you, you understand me, it is all about sponsorship and listenership. And you have that going for you.
No,
you know
but can I tell, hold on, can I tell you something though?
Yes.
Did you know that I ran my show for more than a year without any advertisement in it?
Yes, because I build yourself. You build something, it's like you take a product and I build the product.
No, but what me I said to you is that even if the advertisers them go and whatever, them still not going to get rid of me.
No, you mean say even if the advertiser them leave you?
Even if the advertiser them leave, them still not going to get rid of me.
Me know, and that now go ham. Capital say in demand. You know what I mean? So you will always care advertisers and you will always care listeners. Because when Mr. Perkins and that KLS, you know, me remember when I time sometime almost hour in talk without no advertisement, and he was building himself until look at him now.
Right. So wait. So you think Sir Cardell Green and Upton don't go succeed in getting rid of me?
No, man, you don't worry about them, man. You understand? Because the thing about it, you are young and bright in the business, and you will float. You will survive.
But it's not them alone, though, you know. You have some bright lesbian groups, some of the bossy lesbian them. You have some other people, some bossy people and thing who don't, and they are pressuring the broadcasting commission. And apparently the commission has advised them that they can move if they have justification. So the idea is to build up like the highest number of complaints about Ragashanti over the broadcasting commission. And then the broadcasting commission will use that now to get rid of me and things. So the broadcasting commission has been unfairly pressuring Cliff Hughes and this station to get rid of me.
Anytime you come on your program, you always sure say, when you don't have your microphone over ears, there is always somebody at the other end of the phone lining up to speak to you, don't?
Yes.
Those are the people you matter about.
All right, Papa, thank you.
All right,
thank you.
cool. Yes.
All right, thank you. Interesting discussion there. Anyway, give me one more caller. Hello.
Hi, Raga.
Hello.
How are you?
Uh-huh. They had give thanks in a while.
Amen. I'm giving thanks too. Anyway, me call you for give that little landlord mix up here.
Box me in my class with it.
When me used to live out of East, that time me used to a parent, but me not parent again. So it was 2 tenants of us. So the other tenant now are rent due, but she never paid. So the morning me hear her door and knock down at the landlord. So when she open her door, hear the landlord to her, Miss, like in I say, Miss Brown, me ever sort you out yet? Me tell you, say as me rent due, me want it. Then you go up the road up at the wholesale, that's and tell John Tom, say me send you, because Miss Brown says she have a check, and it never changed. That is the reason why him never get it. Okay. Go up the road and tell John Tom, say me send you. So the start out was the Racha one, you know, him used
Okay, I see.
Ball, you see, Raga? You have to ball with her to hold me shame.
All right, then blessings and respect. But how you do otherwise? Do everything good with you?
Yeah, man, I'm all right so far. Only little
and God bless you. God bless you.
Oh,
God bless you.
Lord. Yeah, man.
Okay. Yes. Wonderful, wonderful. Nice to hear your voice and your little energy and your nice little sexy laugh. That
All
thing.
right,
Blessings to your mums.
Take care.
You take care, mommy. You take care. All right, I eat that.